The views and opinions expressed on this show by the hosts do not necessarily state or reflect those of the channel. Furthermore, the views and the opinions of the guests do not reflect those of the host and the channel. Also, we do not encourage you to try this at home. We are trained professionals who do not have your best interest at heart or our own. Enjoy the show.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yolana ethi po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can call me any day. You can call me we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
I was recording, bro. Kuti pati mnandi.
Everybody say OV home.
OV ho,
OV home.
OV ho.
Are you locked in? Now step with me.
Step with me.
Uvuyi theka ufuna isikhulume ngama
No, that's enough, bro.
Ufuna sikhulume ngani?
2 weeks. The third week now.
I feel like indaba yama beef sizayikhuluma mbayimbayi.
Alright.
But uvuyi siqalise ngani boss?
Here's a good intro, right?
What's happening?
Yeah, this guy, he's a popular scammer on Instagram.
Yeah, South African scam.
South African scammer.
Yeah,
Oh,
very
Fruitman,
important.
right?
Yeah.
Fruitman ufakele ex yakhe message. Wathi into zonke engikuthengele zona.
Ngiyazifuna.
Ngifuna vele like I want you to send them back to me. And then the only message that I want from you is the tracking number of delivery. Yeah. Try everything, even things that I ordered you from Take a lot. I want them back. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Yeah.
Ufuna into zakhe zonke.
Into zakhe zonke zikwanile.
Take a lot, bro. Konke.
Le tissue ayitshishela ngayo
makeup.
zayifuna.
Nah, when I know those
Yeah.
Get a grip, man.
Okunye inhliziyo ebuhlungu. Lina selela cela into eselazithengayo for abantu benu.
And by the way, fundamental difference. I don't know about you,
Yeah.
but fundamental difference between Grootman and I.
Yeah.
He's rich and I'm broke. As a broke nigga, I've never asked for anything that I've gotten someone before. Not right. Because we're not together anymore. I
want
need
my
that back.
things.
Never in my life.
What's that in no?
I didn't ask them back. Yeah.
Lama ngazangicela lutho nje.
No.
Noma ngikwazi ukuthi usendele imember yakhe nje ama-nuclear nge-iPhone yami angikulanda.
It's okay.
Akubuhlungu lutho.
Akubuhlungu ndawo. Valentine noma kuthani kumbe kutheni.
Akuvele ha.
Jane.
Wena ke Jane bayakucela into abawu.
He's a woman. We
Yazi
assume you're a woman.
Ngibiselelani? Retirement benefit. Ipackage
Pension.
fanami yomhlala phansi ipension.
because akuyenzi madoda.
Akalantu anginika sisase happy manje wesifuna ukunithathela ngoba asisaf mina ngilezi izinto engeke ngizicele back. Lawe futhi ongeke uzicele back kimi.
Ama spam sama ngeke ngwacela.
How? Ingane zonke lezo.
No, I'm just saying.
How?
I thought the purpose of giving like in a relationship is like you're doing it wholeheartedly, right?
Yeah.
It's unconditional.
Yeah.
So nxa uyanika umuntu something, right? On the condition that nxa into yenu isiphelile, you now need it back. Hey, what's the point of it? You know what I mean? Besides how you look. Besides how you look in public, bro, because you look like a dumbass nigga, bro. You look like a fucked up motherfucker.
Yeah.
But I'm like in all that, bro. Like lawe, even within the relationship, can be left. Like, what was the point? I would say that niggas don't give someone something that you feel like you want back in the event that your relationship won't work out.
Kufanana lo muntu lwana ukuthi sisakhula lapha
It's
ngasidlala
okay,
ibhora.
bro.
Ngaungaziyo
we-
sikheli ibhora lakho sufa.
Melissa, We take Zwana MJ, what I find. Zwana.
Serious. Ngathi so serious kakhulu.
We take L's every day, bro.
Wena ngiyakuhaza ngathi 10-0. Ngiyakubona ukuthi uyangabi.
But whilst you're talking about ama gifts, and I was looking at this item, it's like if a man pays lobola, and then after paying lobola, the wife cheats, right? Are you entitled to a refund of that lobola?
Are you? We don't know. Are you entitled to it?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like,
Yeah.
It's been a fight going on in the courts for a while. I think in 2022, 2023, there was a ruling, then it was overturned. And then, there's something along those lines now at the High Court.
Okay, if he cheats and Zala's pant,
I'm still trying to download it.
does he owe the wife anything?
Yeah, like if the wife cheats,
If he cheats and Zala's pant, does he owe the wife anything?
did the wife pay lobola?
Hi, but there's a whole lot
We're
more.
talking about, it's a refund.
Why is not-
Now, what I know definitely happened last week in Zimbabwe here.
Yeah.
And this is actually like interpelele civil. There's a chick that slept with a married man, and the wife pressed charges against her, and now the side chick is meant to pay $8,000.
Oh yeah. That's for adults, yeah.
Exactly.
Uzayithatha endodeni ben.
That's not true.
What I'm saying is that this is 8K that is now owed to the.
Le vele
Undlunkulu.
Undlunkulu uzayithola kuba bekhaya but iyabiqala iyadlula ngayo.
Ngiyapha.
But vele nje
Kumain wing.
yo. Ikuzithumela nje imali usebenzisa omunye umuntu.
Yeah, but I know I can't say this enough, man. Like,
But
hey,
ilokhu
niggas.
zini i-case le eka Grootman le andi ngiyowachi umfazi.
Yeah.
Wow, hamba wathole enye icherry nanani. Uthi angaze ngilandele le drama is-Grootman gcinile le but ngathi mnandi.
Too much.
I know people that have been following this
I
for years,
unfollowed him. He
man.
taught me how to mind my business. Get excited. Hey, bayalene.
Sebengabuyelelana
Seponya futhi. Ngapha unfollow cause afuna ube too invested, you know.
But namhla indaba eSlaws lapha zimnandi kakhulu. So singakawe isikhathi vele sihle singene yabona.
Zinonakisa, gentlemen.
Ngathi silokhu sibhoda abantu basimelele kathi ikhuluma nini kanti.
Ngizabona le tweet nawe nhle ukuthi I can't wait. Remember lezi zathini ngento le.
No, but before we get into that,
Yeah.
mna kudala kwami anditshela recently
Umdala.
kudala kwami sibila
Ukuthange, dog.
amatshe asancebeka.
That's my line. Yeah, you're biting my foot. It's
Actually,
like
just an off ramp for my story. I recently changed my Twitter bio to former SDA.
Former?
Yeah.
but you said
No,
church.
former SDA church board member. Exactly. So ngesikhathi zami ngisaseli church board member. Sasilento kuthiwa i-Vespers. Most people esabathemba yazi. Right.
Ungakhuluma imfihlo zebandla.
No, I'm coming. No, this is actually it's not that deep.
Okay.
It's not that deep. Yeah.
Khuluma wena.
So during ama church services lawa ntambama, right? There's this guy. I would wanna say ukuthi uyahlanya, but wayengani luhlanya. And he used to come into church and in the middle of the sermon, expose them. Literally, bro, like in the middle of a heated sermon, bro. It's right, expose them.
Mphe ngqondo wami lo yena wayesefuna ukukhuluma something bamshaya ngecam.
Mabundi counter.
Wafreeze
So,
sithi
yeah.
expose them.
Yeah. This angazi ukuthi I don't know if this is where we were going.
Karesi bamshaye ngeloop.
Exactly.
Lokho sithi expose.
To this day, yeah, this is like 6 years later, man.
Dasela bantwana.
Yakuzo
Yeah. Hey. I'll just be umuntu omdala.
Should have prepared me for that, man. What the fuck?
Ruby is bleeding.
Only the real ones, you know.
Yo.
Madimpo.
Adimpo.
Asibizeni umuntu omdala azosiza.
Athi sibise umuntu omdala.
Do you know I've been watching that guy for the past 2 months, bro? Nigga's funny. Yeah,
I
anyway.
don't want to touch the blood.
No.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Blah,
boys
blah,
and girls, welcome to another episode of the Bureau Podcast Ingxoxo 99.
Mfoye.
Senzela ukuthi namuhla konke sikukhulumayo singalahleki. Sabona ungcono ukuthi sibe legqwetha.
Yeah.
Kumele sitshele ukuthi apa makufara.
Ngo-umpire namuhla.
Apa
Sengakangeni lapho mfuna ngiyenzele lokhuyana phela yazi that's my favorite part of the podcast and ukuthi the small voices iyo leyanethi
I see.
It's not you.
It's not me.
Para kuza.
Guys, those
Sasi sithole i-roadcaster.
Okay.
I-roadcaster lesisebenzisa like capture sound. So ngangiyitshengisa uba omunye umngane wami ohlala e-SA.
Okay.
Ngitshengisa ukuthi ndoda i-podcast lapha ngani soku-grand la sisithole i-item la. Then wasebuzwa wathi yiyo lena ethi pupu.
Oh, wayesithi yiyo lena into there.
So mina ngathatha i-voice note yakhe leya ngoba yiyo vele ngahle ngiyifaka.
Because I actually thought kuyabe sithi yiyo lena ethi pom 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 as in yiyo lena i-podcast ethi pom pom.
No, like yena wayikhuluma ngiye. I'm sure abantu abaningi bawu-interpreta differently yabo. But yena labana wayikhulumela
izemjuju
ukuthi yethi pom
Yeah,
pom.
but anyway yiyo lena ethi
Yenza
pom,
phela
pom,
mina
pom,
Ayangikwanisi ke.
So yeah, a lot has been happening. Simelela omunye bro wethu abuye kumbe sihle siqalise vele. Sihle sithi ba.
ikati ihambe
Ngikhali. Kathi uqale nini vele ukuthi abantu bakobulayo sesikhipha imfihlo zabantu.
Bese kubuhlungu kakhulu.
uyajola 99 but for WhatsApp groups
Wena bese zibuhlungu esifubeni.
Kuqale nini? Ndoda, I've always known abantu bakobulayo ukuthi when it comes to ukugcina imfihlo,
Number 1.
siyabona like into lezi siyazibona vele every day like
Every weekend.
yabo.
I'm sure sibili kungathiwa if you know more receptionists bama BNB kumbe emahoteleni lapha. You'd have expected them to do that kind of thing, you know?
But no, just to give people context. Jane, ngicela utshela abantu uxoxela abantu ukuthi what happened like.
Funa bepophe mina.
Nah,
Awukhulumi mabisi.
well lawyer that
Disclaimer,
we have two lawyers here today.
We have two lawyers.
Two lawyers.
Bona ngani bangasekela.
No one can touch us.
Abantu ayithoba lawyer la. Go ahead.
Guys,
Our legal team can stomach our Twitter feeds.
like guys, mina ngangifakela ama threats. I've got shooters ready to gun you down. Anyway. So, on Tuesday, right?
Tuesday.
Yes. Oh, it's been going on, my guy. You guys caught on late. It's been on Tuesday.
Yeah.
I found myself in a group called Zim Men Exposed. It had numbers from UK, from
International.
everywhere. Australia, Germany, what? It started on a national level. Yeah, international actually, because they were just saying whoever is Zimbabwean but based wherever. So they would. Igroup yankhona uyasendela uadmin ipicture yeboyfriend yakho or umfana omdala or iplacer lakho yabo uthi ngicela ufake ipicture le groupini makulo it had over 2000 members anyway makulo umuntu omdlayo avela ahlathi come up front kumbe react ku picture abhala ukuthi hayi lo njani iboyfriend yakho
nxa imudla kanjani yafa komlilo
abafazi uyakhuluma ahlathi lo ngiyamazi udluza uyabhala wena anyone in the group is
nxa
free to
igula yafaka
say
i-emoji
mina ngikwazi ejola
Afake injection.
wena uveve mina ngikwazi ejola lo Jane wanga so kuqasha ngani abantu bayesabana
Jane has storytelling yakhe
Angiyachaza.
ngani singathi simlalele yazi podcast yonke qhubeka
kuqasha ngani guys abantu bayesabana because I really thought it was going to be a cat fight. You know how girl groups are.
yeah because bekule
Then I was
mthetho
like,
But the rules were clear. No
it wasn't
fighting.
even a matter of rules. The way people were cooperating, because you really want to know if your bag is being fucked with or not. You know? Kwangeni pictures yokuqala. Kungeni paragraph so. Uyu ndizibani bani ifridge yakhe red. Five pens grey uhlala eflatini elinje ujayela uhambe egoli everywhere. Uyazi bebe kunika like information yonke so engaka so omunye ethi lami I'm dating imora ethi no mina si serious ethi lami ngi serious what but lena ayiyanga ndawo because what because of language barrier like most Bulawayo people abazwa phela yabo so it was hard to catch up.
yeah
I don't know who came up with this bad or good idea. Wathi mana ngiqadise la ku big bedroom okujayibulawayo. Guys, Yes, and that one, I didn't sleep. Like it went on until 3 in the morning because people were just
Hayi bo
sending,
khona bo
sending,
thina
sending,
siziqhubekela
sending.
ngempilo asikwazi lutho.
And
bro.
people's husbands and what? That's when it started getting deep, yabo. And now people were calling each other, threatening each other. My private number. Omunye wabevula ethi Bulawayo.
What do you know I am?
Umuntu ethi, "Deep."
Ngizokuteka. Khonapho you're not even my type.
Bathi manje iBulawayo incane shem. And
Ngizokutrack.
yazi iBulawayo mbonile ukuthi sibili kushaya rotation like ujola 55 uyezwa. Ungena ipicture yokuqala yabo. Umuntu vele wabungaza kumbona empilweni yakho la sesimoka zo ever zakumbona. Omunye ethi, "Ha mina ngithandana laye." Ulothi, "Hayi lo uthandana lo Sibani ngaphi what sase saqalisa bakhipha amafayila ukuthi lo mntwana ngaphi ushadile then kwaba kungena enye picture guys. Omunye yazi ihembe yendoda ayinongifazi wakhe ayibona noma kuthiwa udali njani. Ipicture kababa lwana eseceleni komunye umama yabo. Omunye uchika uthi,
African attire.
"Kuthiwa this is my boyfriend. Who the fuck is this woman next to?"
Aya.
Sonke sathi hayi bo sisi ngumfazi wakhe. Wathi mali sithi umfazi litshoni.
Ngoba lami ngingumfazi.
Sathi that is the wife. He never
Ngale
told
umfazi
me.
ngiyindoda mina.
Manje ngincane sithi umfazi
He never
ngikade
told
ngiyini.
me. Sathi so wena ufuna faka iplacard. Hello, I'm married. Hello, I'm married. Ahambe ukuthe. Was
Jane came prepared Ivana to give us the tea.
but kwakungena
Continue, my
pictures
sister.
are wrong guys like
Jane is
Abantu
on some
abalama-
Tangada shit, bro.
Abalama resources like
Yeah.
these famous rich people who are funding it. Asazi Nathan this weekend.
Owasazibona thina.
Vele izolo.
Asazibana thi oh yeah, this is Monday, right? Yeah.
Hayi, kuma-cocktails.
Group le ayivulwanga ngeweek
Beku-empty.
rent.
Beku empty. Yeah. I
It
actually
wasn't
heard this
really-
earlier on today.
wasn't
Ngoma
really-
cocktails on bathreathena nabanye bathi.
Yeah.
Avele they
Sabona kusasa. When I say twabe kuchaya umoya kuma cocktails, bro.
Oh, fam. Oh, yeah.
Amampama
yabusukhulumile bele.
Yabusithi nje usibe impama la.
amampama
So there's this
zakhamba.
hand who sent a picture of a guy. Then people were like, doesn't this guy do this for a living? Like they know where he works. And then everyone was like, "Asiyamazi lo mntwana lo Sibani what."
Ovuke post ukuthi just.
Then this one chick is like, udlu Sibani eCountry Park yabo. Sayibizo. What? Manje we didn't know it's the wife who was in the group who sent the picture because she wanted to see who the guy is with.
Eish.
Ovuke no dlame.
What usir? I think inhliziyo isishaya isibundu. What usir?
Ifake moyo. Yeah.
Athi serious. Has you guys khonapho mina bese ngizibusile
Dale
lokuphuma
episode
ngayo.
kaJane.
Ngifake yini?
The Jane Show, bro.
The Jane
Ngathi
Show.
ukuthi
bro.
ngifake yini? Owami ngimsende ngathi, you know what? I prefer Delulu over palpitations.
Abunamfakile wami kodwa.
Ufake
Mana sazobuya.
Yeah, no, continue.
Sazobuya egroupini yabo yamajita. Njengeyabo Cherry. Njengeyabo Cherry kuphela liyakhuluma ngale.
bambuza ukuthi for how long have they been together? Has umuntu lo 10 years. So it makes quadratic equation. Yawuzuza ukuthi mina saqasa ukujola 2015. And ngathi simabe sithama years lawo akusahambelani
Futhi
yabo.
sebefike next year mina ngingakafiki.
Exactly.
Nangomunye ekhuluma,
Uzabhala
"No, this
nje
is
wena.
my sneaky link." Someone else said their dude. Uyabhala wena, "No, this is my sneaky link." Bahle bathi,
What is the
"Wabona
definition
usneaky
of
link
sneaky?
wena, yes, cela uphume."
What's the
Asayi
definition
sathi
of
sneaky
sneaky?
link
It
wona.
Defines the
Mawusuyi sneaky link usukhuluma
Why
ukuthi
are you
sneaky
even
link.
saying, you know?
Fana nalokutshela umuntu ukuthi sifuna ukukwenzela ise prize party.
It defeats the purpose of being sneaky link, bro.
wena sukhuluma. Kodwa kulo mina bampostileyo guys labana mboza ngaponda. Mina bengicabanga ukuthi uchadile uBralwana.
Hey.
Because he looks
Ukufakaza.
very married. I've hung out with him. And uyakubona success yenye ngathi le
But
taste
he's not
yomfazi. No, he's not, yo. I had to apologize.
We'll get to that.
I had to apologize because this girl was like, she posted him, right? She posted many pictures of his. I'm like, this guy's married. She's like, no, he's not. I'm like, baby girl, he is. What? No, I know he's. You know when you get defensive, like your bag is big.
Hello,
Bathi,
Francis.
akashadanga lami.
Hold
Mina
on.
bengikutshela nje. Then this girl dropped the biggest woo of Bulawayo, like othangela yonke into esithathini abakhethayo yonke into like. And then uposte
Asambe bathi.
innocently. Uyabukhonjisiwe phela ungagooglanga.
Yeah.
Take drop a picture. The first message was Zithande.
Ayibo.
And she she first kept quiet, right? Then she posted again when there were new members. She wanted to find out like,
Yeah,
who
but
posted
ngathi
kwaze kwaba
ku-Blair.
ka-5. Mina sensithi, hawu sisi, lo uchiyana laye vele zithande wathi suka yabo. And then so many people started commenting on that guy. Yeah, lo wangenza so, lo wangenza so, lo wangenza so. And then when they added new members, this chick uyenze i-list wafaka bayi-5.
Uyezwa lesinye iskili wena angakaza kuchuna ngaso sesiqanje group.
So they added new members again because the number kept increasing. Now it was like 1 point something. Then this chick
Laser with
sent.
BYO.
I still have a fuzz.
Yeah,
BYO.
Okay.
So now when they added new people, this chick utete wabhali list ekade sebeposte more than 10 times, more than 10 different people. Wathi laba sebeyandelwe please lingabaqambi vele. Mawungene lapho ubona list. So every time ungena umuntu bekusendwa same list, what.
Sure.
She ended up coming to my DM, bruh. Wathi, hello, I saw your message. You see to low posting abantu abangu 5. Abantu bathi uthe yeah, this is my friend's boyfriend. Ngathi makuyindoda yakho it's fine. But as long as you know what's going on. Wathi no, it's not like that. Yeah, mina vele ngiyamthemba. Ngathi kanti uthenga ngomngane wakho wena manje koyiza umdefender.
Wes uthemba uyiboyfriend
Cha
yomngane
yena
wakho.
ngicela iproof na iproof
Ipapa
usungayithola.
manje.
Maybe esibhedlela or something. Because I
That
know,
was a
even when
hamba.
your guy is messing around, your pH balance is off. So you'll see with your downstairs.
So all of this is happening from Tuesday.
From bruh. Yes, from Monday.
That's from
actually.
Monday evening.
Yes,
Monday
from
evening,
Monday
yes.
evening until Tuesday. Imina bangikhipile. From Monday.
Khiphela I don't know why.
Alami bangikhipile chick.
Kulosizo obhale shona esidiphu mina phela ngisasifunda ngizwe. Ngathi utshoni. Wathi yambuluzela wena eZimbabwe yes ngama what wangikhipha. Guys.
Where's the whistle?
I was bored the rest of the night.
Let me njengaba body because uthi wathusha ke mathi
Mina ngingalithe nalama ngikhipile. Namanje bangikhipele ukuthi bengimposte.
hayibo.
How? Lo bamfakile.
Yeah,
Anyway, sasengapha.
sesiphumile.
Sesiphumile
women.
Asambe
Ongene amadoda ngophi la?
Yeah, mina bengikhona.
Yazi the funny thing someone was saying yesterday.
Yeah.
You should, as a man, you should not fail so much that nga kuposta abantu abahulayo wehle utholakala phakathi.
It's lawe kawani rothule.
Abantu beke bekhulume
Do
ngawe
something. Do something.
ebantwini abayenza something ilist yembinga awukho ilist awukho
Into esifebe awukho.
yedifebe
Awukho. Ungaphi? Who are you?
you don't have the
Maybe plays for that other team.
But ngizakuthola kule group yesidawani layo. Akuswani.
Kula channel.
Actually, lalela nini? I'm not giving people ideas here.
Yeah.
Don't get me wrong. But what I'm saying is bekungaba le chaos enganani. Ukuthi esiphithini sonke sona leso kuthiwa women men ubhohoke
As a community.
hey
what
As a community,
what
I
was
know.
going to be even more interesting
Izolo.
isikhona already.
Problem ukuthi uvula channel bengafuni phethi bebe.
Jane, I think sisonke ku channel yala.
Eh, but ukuthi thing is uyafaka 5 seconds at delete. So if
delete.
you're not there,
So senibabonile vele already.
So ngayithe uza posta ngo 8 o'clock and
Kumele libe ready.
you must be online at 8 because
what are they posting?
at 5 seconds past 8 is deleting the picture.
As in, what are
uyapost
they
picture
posting?
njengokuthi athi apost picture kamgcina ethi khale simpost rainbow nation.
Athi ngigcine
Afake
is
picture
gay.
kamgcina abese faka poll ethi suspect or clean. Then
Abantu
people will click
sebevote.
what they think.
Obviously vele bonke bazathi suspect.
ufuna lena that actually goes there and says,
Abafaka amafayili belabo befaka
Yeah.
amapicture bebonke. Yeah. Kumama chance.
Ayachuza le mntana.
But anyways, emajideni
We'll
uhambe
track
njani?
you.
Right. No, I think the Jens one, I was there for a very short time. It had a bit less
like
drama.
a short time.
I'm not very I'll be $5. Right. So I think it had a bit less drama. So basically what people were doing there, you would forward the admin a picture of umuntu that you're trying to get information on, right? I posted Konapana, and then and this is what I like about Amachita, bro. This is what I like about niggas, bro. all they would say is clean or
Nah, manje
goma condom angu-7.
particular screenshot nengisibonile kupost yomunye wasithi kathi likhetha njani ama-girlfriend
I saw that one. I was there. I was there when that message was sent. I was there when that message was sent. I was there when the message was sent. I know. Yeah, I think remember yena ubhayeze ngokuposta isitoko sepower.
kulezinye i-screenshot engisibone I think
thina
bekuyigroup
egruphini yethu busithi uma ufubona indoda yakho imbi ayila mali futhi ungaposta bedialogue wakho wedwa
Exactly. Yeah.
mbone
bebediali yamsukela abantu loyali umuntu wona la ulala uthabile kanti
mbone esinye i-screenshot kuthiwa lo engachitha limncwebe atale engachitha liyamncweba lo
Yeah. No, so the James one was it was a bit more chilled, man. And yeah, to be honest, even in all the accusations of cyberbullying and so on, I actually haven't seen many people coming forward. Basically, hey, picture me post a group in Yamashita. Bekuposta abantu aba useless nje.
mina mbonile
Bekuposta abantu abangena umsebenzi nje. No, it's fine, but also Jane, ask yourself ukuthi ngoba na debatisana like as in no offense to those chicks that went on that live, but
numbers
alilasithunzi alilasizathu nje empilweni lingabantu aba useless nje.
into i-danger
Into ezingela
into le
umsebenzi.
yabo into i-danger ade ngiyitshela abantu abaningi ade besithi mina vele angeke bengiphoste mina vele angipostwanga amajidama amaningi benzini madoda yabona into le ngathi sisondile la ngoba mbona amanye amabizo ngathi aseqanjwa ngana sethanda ukusondela I remember ngikhuluma nemember yami
post uvuye ngathi
No, but with the gents group, we've been quiet for a moment because we've always been seeing this. Thank you to my man. Got a spony head for Tefana nayo. Headboard day one. Sonke zesikwazi ukuthi ngiyanga. Same headboard lingu-4, same BNB. What I?
ulosisa postelele lo muntu wakhe empedeni, but the guy was facing that side, so she forgot to do the view once item. Then she deleted. Yathi my sister, these people they know even a neck yazi intamo yendoda yakho, even umuntu lo oyidolo like uyalibona la
Uzwane.
ku story bra
uzwana olunje so Anyway.
yeah, I can see.
bengisathi mina
Yeah, things took a turn.
isiqhuqhisa amajida lapha ukuthi yabona nxa into ile high penjalo ndoda awula muntu osebenzisa i-reasoning awula muntu osebenzisa i-logic vele umuntu akwanisa ukuposta athi umgcini lesiki abantu bahle bathi run with that bro.
Isiki yana ukhohlwa kuthiwa kulo muntu
Bethi
lesendele
futhi ulesendele lodwa.
Kuthiwa ulesendele one.
Bethi ulesendele one.
ngibonile lana yeah
Mina let me tell you something.
Bob's your uncle.
kume yonke into
I
Unokuthi
got
Usman
onto-
is bad in bed and what
I got onto Instagram in 2017.
did get that deep in the
Yes. So the thing is, was the context yonale. This particular person kayingane khona ngale uchaya wakhuluma ukuthi sithi maybe post picture ka MJ. Nendle MJ umgwaqa. Then MJ bese zonda. Hey, he drive through.
We try through it. The KFC, we chicken.
So when MJ usuzona when arrive and trailer ngathi he drive yikhule lokhu zeneliwa.
No, but the highlights of the show was that Tomunye yi driving school yakobulawayo.
Yeah,
As a
yeah,
man
that's what that was.
ungadlulanga khompana awukwazi ukudriver because azange ufundele khona.
but enye into enginanzeleleyo manje ukuthi kule like ngathi kule Bulawayo
Yeah, afake ngayisiyo nje kulo. Mtobetsi sakuxoxa.
Hawu. Umuntu bezuta kwikho.
Into usudakwe icoke.
into enginanzeleleyo
Yeah.
ngathi siphila kumabulawayo achineyo ngathi kulingi Bulawayo kati velile ama personal pending vendettas ukuthi
But I think the analogy le uthi bulawa i-bedroom is actually applicable now because usubona ukuthi kulabanye bethu abaseyadini abanye basekitchen then kulaba bedroom thina sesithin room yakobulawayo
Abase-toilet.
Even then, man.
damn
And I think I mentioned this earlier on, even on Twitter. Uti, this whole thing, what you Bulawayo is one big bedroom, everyone like Bulawayo indawo encane, I don't think it's true. You're just a hoe, or you're in the streets, right? So when I'm in the streets, you're gonna know other people than in the streets. I genuinely believe that. I don't know. Maybe I'm the one who's delusional.
No.
But I really think that 60 to 70 people,
But it's
70% of people, Lapan, is actually loyal people. Abantu abaziphilela impilo zabo. Bezithulele. Fine, maybe they might cheat once in a while, but I don't think we can then count them as part of the big bedroom.
But guys, libona ngana sokho kuswela into zokwenza.
Nah,
No. We can't say what you
No.
because the hours in which people were
unemployment.
participating in,
Recreation.
No,
it's
as
quite
in,
different.
there is a difference between being a spectator, nomuntu onguyo facilitator like the whole thing. Abanye bebukele besemsebenzini. Akhona amagqwetha lapha ade bona ama updates besemsebenzini. Yabo. Mafodi wanted to say something.
He's awfully quiet. What's happening? That's not you. That's not you.
No. It's just that I never took an interest in this whole thing when it was happening. I never really took an interest.
Yeah, police
No,
maturity.
we have things to do. Anyway.
Who doesn't?
So Mina,
Bungela data.
if anyone feels offended what I'm about to say, well, yeah, offense intended. I wanna.
Right, dude.
No, serious. You gotta be a grown-ass man.
Of
Right?
course, you are.
I'm saying you can't be.
Can't be.
You can't be a grown-ass man
Let him
and you
cook.
create such a group, right? To expose women or even a grown-ass woman to expose men or women. Because at the end of the day, there are consequences. Newton's law of motion. Every action is a reaction. And another law of Newton, if force A exerts, if object A exerts a force of A, whatever,
Konova.
object B pushes in opposite direction but the same amount of force. Right? Listen, there are people's lives probably tarnished because there's no way to verify the facts of whatever anyone was saying in that group. No way.
Can I give you an
No way.
example?
Yes?
There is a guy who is my friend who was none of you guys
Yeah.
who was posted.
Thank you for pause. Wonke umuntu uchaye pause. Why did you indaba lithulela lonke? Why lithulela lonke?
Ati yay.
So there's a guy who's my friend who was posted there, right? And I said, he is dating Zbani Ban. You know? No, he said, if I get posted, please defend me. Because my hand, I love her. Ngathi ujola losban but uyanya. Ngathi I swear you guys they've been together what he even posted kwangena so ama DMs wakhe ama screenshot ekhuluma labo esithi hey where are you hey Karesi saying ngapha I'm outside njani like bekubuya you were required to produce proof
Izinja,
most of the time.
For context, right? And this is me, Uvuye Okhulumayo. For every person whose picture was posted in that group, I vouch for you. Even if I know that you're an operator. Even if I know that you're a smooth operator.
Transporter food.
Like, clean, safe. Continue.
The reason being, what I'm saying so is, I want to, as a company, I want to say because people are not really working.
Why?
Like if someone
it
has
was fun,
enough, if
Moss.
someone has time to get a WhatsApp group and spend the whole day, 2 years, what, nsakuluma.
Megelena kulumi.
Nsakuluma. Because for me, I mean, Chegi, people are living happily as in Chegi, or some are not even living happy. But imagine if someone was in a happy marriage and the picture was posted, now so step into Sake, what? Lawful, I mean, I can take you to court and I can probably win it.
Or maybe the infidelity is the one that's making the marriage last that long.
Exactly, and you are messing. Yes, and you are messing in people's lives. You are messing in people's lives, bro. In the Wazawandu Zichi. And I saw the name of someone who created the men's group. I'm like, bro, all of my photo shoots, don't you have photo shoot license up in your life? Like, all I have something to edit in instead of creating a WhatsApp group. No, serious, because, Jackie, whether umuntu you're doing something bad or not, it's none of your business. If people come and take pictures, that's your business. Talk about pictures, post for referrals, but leave people's lives and their infidelity alone. I'm not supporting infidelity, but all I'm saying, leave people's business alone.
Mafoti, do you know there's nothing more boring than minding your business? I'm not going to sit here and pretend in Tawang is done.
I can assure you that everyone that committed suicide was minding their business.
Why am I laughing?
No, but generally, right, in this particular context, right, I think it's one of those situations whereby, look, if you don't really fucks with a certain type of content, like if you feel like into like husbands and wives and girlfriends and boyfriends, right, is rumor mongering and gossiping, just don't do it. Don't participate. Don't participate.
I quote terminology and it shows that you are in different fields. Good content, right? Yeah. Because I mean we're talking about it now. People are going to watch. Everyone is talking about it. So it is content. But then, man, I don't look at it as content. No, I look at it as like, what are the repercussions of this?
Yeah,
True.
Actually,
Consequences.
since la maloya ngothula, sesikhuluma ukuthi bekusenzakalani emagroupini lawa njengamagqwetha abantu abakwazi umthetho. What are the implications alandela after participate emagroupini?
I was first and foremost, I would just say 10 years. Right. I'll tell you this. 10 years, right? And when I say 10 years, it's not like it's automatic, of course. No. It's not automatic that you get 10 years. But then the criminal law was amended. The criminal law was amended by Cyber and Data
Cyber
Protection.
Security and Data Protection Act.
I'm a for you can participate.
No, I mean IT, guys. I mean IT. I'm supposed to know this.
Uma forwarding ngathi ngimtshela mina ngendawo lezo washo wathi ngiyakwazi uyaphapha. Relaxa. Ungangeni emagroupini. Melela nabakutshele nxa ukuthi baza kuthumela izinto.
I like what she said earlier on. When she was like there's a time when someone posted something and then I had to say umuntu lo uchadile, then bangkhuza, then I had to apologize, right? At least you apologized. Imagine the damage that went with those who did not apologize for the things that they said about umuntu. You understand? Yeah. Because the act actually specifies it does not have to be the truth. You understand? But then you're talking about a defamatory action, but then it's criminalized. You see, that's what cyberbullying is. You are tarnishing someone's image over what, and you'll be made an example. I didn't know ukuthi abanye sebe exposiwe. You know, the exposers have been exposed. Chronicle, right?
There were even threats.
That's what I said.
Dead in 24
uneducated ndlebe yami
Mark my
ukuthi
words.
imagine ukuthi banganda utshona betweet into ze-tribalism but you only have one person ogcina siye khona.
Thank you. You
So
understand?
liyenza libaningi li-expose umhlaba wonke but uzaba lo mnyama one wakhona.
Look
then
at
you have to stand for
in
it.
that context. That boy who did the whole tribalism thing, right? He ended up spending, was it not like about a week at Grey prison, right? You see? Now he had to incur legal costs. Mind you, he is a student at NAST, and the family is suffering to pay fees. Now they have to suffer to look for imali lawyer. You understand? Eqeda kwambana, we live in a digital world now. You search your name, uzadinga umsebenzi somewhere. Uzayenzani? Ibizo lakho
When you
liphuma.
Google his name,
Yeah.
that's
Ungagoogle ibizo lakhe kathesi. That's the first thing that comes. So now
he's
imagine
applying
when it
for
comes to
visa or
cyberbullying
what?
and how the Vision 2030 is. You understand? When asubuya sufuna ukudinga umsebenzi e-United Nations. Begoogle ibizo lakho bese bethola ukuthi you were convicted of cyberbullying.
If you may allow me,
Okay.
There's Cybersecurity Data Protection Act, Chapter 11, 22 of 2019, Section 164B states that any person who unlawfully and intentionally by means of computer or information system generates and sends data messages to another person or posts any material or in any electronic medium accessible by any person with the intention to intimidate, harass, threaten, bully, or cause any substantial emotional distress or humiliate someone or to encourage a person to harm himself or herself shall be guilty of an offense. So people who post in that group.
Continue.
Yeah,
Just
no,
don't
that's
keep on
the
that.
way I
That's the
paraphrase.
only one
You're not
you
gonna
tried
pan.
it. Oh, okay.
You're not gonna- But anyone who posts in that group and cause distress to someone is actually guilty in the law.
So we
in the
actually
court of
call
laws.
that the slippery slope effect.
Yeah.
So if one person slips, we'll now have everyone else slipping because of that particular action.
Yeah.
So you might have been mopping the floor, but as you didn't put up the sign. So now who's supposed to pay that?
You see, what happens here is that everyone is now.
Ibhonzo lom department.
Cryptocurrency isasebenza.
Everyone was now worried about, okay, who's behind this? Who's behind this? It's not just the admins, right?
Yeah.
It's the participants themselves. Because what you are doing is the people that were posting pictures, right? You are posting, yes, so cheese. You are
It's not the lights. It's not the lighting here.
You are posting a picture. You are posting a picture of someone
Oh, I didn't post
without
the
their
picture.
Consent.
You understand? That's a serious violation of privacy. You are posting a picture of someone without their consent and then inviting or allowing other people to then come and express their And imagine you are doing this on a public domain like that.
And you just thought you were here to party, sip it.
So yeah. Right?
Angazi ukuthi abantu isibinda. I think abantu abana bathabe kakhulu ngoba ungabona into isenziwa nguJane, yenziwe nguBob, yenziwe nguRalph. I'm like, chukuthi phela lami senye ngakwenza ngala problem. Abantu bathabe kakhulu ndoda abakhohle ukuthi vele kulama consequence.
No, but
Asengalandela.
in any situation, right? Even schooler, even esikolo, right? Kunokuthiwa umfanekiso. Umzekeliso, an example, right? We're focusing. Right now, we have chosen to focus on 3 admins of groups. In each of these 3 groups, right? As well, 1,000 plus people that were willing participants, active, willing participants in all of this, right?
Domdala.
Sibe.
But amapolice afake istatement.
Yes.
Amapolice afakile istatement. Afakile. Kathi kufaka ku internet ikwenza nathi kufaka. Fakile.
Hayi kufaka civil statement bafakile anti. And you know I situation leyani yokuthi there's the law side of things and then there's the social side, right? We're laughing about it when it started. Wow. When I saw it, I was like, okay, what's this? And now I'm getting screenshots. You see? Like, okay, Gwenzakalanga. I actually thought it was in Kwekwe or Harare or something. Then I saw Bulawayo. Oh.
Imagine
The tough side about Zimbabwe. And the tough side about Zimbabwe at the moment, right?
Lo lami uyangebha.
Right.
Amaqimba kamnandi.
Icimbi lakhe.
And
Bengilikhama izolo.
the sad thing about Zimbabwe at the moment, right? When it comes to the Data Protection Act, we really didn't have a precedent. So trust me, when we say precedent at the moment, we'll make an example for you that will stick for generations to come.
This is the precedent.
This is the precedent. Yeah.
Remember
So
what I was saying?
Ziyakhala.
As it stands.
Abantu abami.
Exactly what it's saying. As it stands. You cannot go somewhere and say, just like so and so did this. You understand? There's nothing.
You are the
We're
so
still
and so.
getting into we're still getting into that age and
Zigorida.
right, yes ukuthi hayi sesifikile lathi umthetho wethu usuhambelana with the international standards, and then now kube sokusiba lento enje. You know, there's a lot of cyberbullying happening, yes, we know, right? But then ukuthi ize ifike ku point le phela ingene ku WhatsApp.
Pardon me, counsel, but they've got us by the scrotum. They are in charge.
No, but yeah, scrotum, then they've got a finger in the rectum as well.
ngikutshela ukuthi kuthe konke khonokhu
Kepres
kusenzakala
uthe ngiqhuqa iphansi lana esesenta lesenta kwe-embroidery. Lo mdiba.
umdepartment ngani uthanda ukuthi njalo mina ngitshela ukuthi into yonke le ithe isenzakala abanye abantu esagcina kudala ukukhuluma kudala sagcina but imbonakala sesithi boza anti yabona ikwenzakalani ngapha
Right.
umlomo awuvalwe umlomo awuvalwe athi lawe boza
Lawe boza?
mina
Sisoka.
That's what I was gonna build to. Uthi lana guys, whatever you're doing there, lingabodlisa amabhari. Like someone ukuthi the
Exactly.
moment uphuma
Exactly.
WhatsApp group sesiyakhuluma ukuthi liyadlisana. Like
Do you, like, as in, and I
don't be
think,
messing around with people who have nothing to lose, bro.
bro, I think even
Don't be
even
messing
earlier
around with
on,
nothing to
even
lose.
earlier on this week, I was telling you guys, do you understand how stupid your level of bufebe has to be for you to be exposed in a WhatsApp group? That's just exposing. It's febe nje. Yes, it's febe. Kuthi befake picture yakho bethi hi lami ngikhona hapo. Like you have to be
Yeah,
like
people need to move smart.
at a very careless.
You must actually.
Uyinto engancedikiyo vele usukhalelile impilo sokusela ukuthi ufe nje.
but into
I feel
engazalungile
like
Ayilungi vele into yakhona.
Rumor has it that
I
a
feel-
certain pub has required reinforcements for the weekend.
Oh yeah. No, two actually.
Yeah, two.
amamba amakhalile izolo
Just this was Wednesday.
This was Wednesday.
guys, mina,
We
I
are still
think-
waiting for Friday and Saturday.
I think if you are as fair, man. Ayizwanile.
It's a fabbing season, bro. It's a fabbing
So
season, bro.
cut me out, me.
The fabbing everywhere, bro.
and it's like
I
people have
And they've been breaking up in
small
small
parts.
parts.
Guys, me, you know I'm honest about my life, but it's fair, sis. So I'm saying, so
sebenzisa ivideo le bakufake lawo
Nah, ngiyamva. Hayi. Ukha.
Wena ungathi ngiyamvouchela mina ansakubelieve.
Usimlahle
Confession yakho
namhlanje
kade uvouchela wonke umuntu.
Sesimlahle namhlanje ukha.
Nah, Ujane kanikani, guys. Come on.
Khuluma nje.
The one thing you can do for yourself, do not fuck people who have nothing to lose.
Yeah.
The same way you want to feature someone, if they say, I have a lot to lose if this comes out, it should be equal. Not ukuthi yena vele umele ukuthi into zakho zibhidlike vele so that yena azoba happy. Yabo?
Yeah.
That way, awusoze umthole kusenda.
Exactly.
You know,
In the words of the great
lisendwanga.
you see?
Yeah,
In the words of the great Ralphie a lot.
Bazasenda
Ungahlabi don't hlabisa ipare.
no but I think okunye balisabile le bebekwazi ukuthi lina lizabuya la lithi Dorothy ohlele egwabalala
Mina
ukuthi wenza
against the advice of counsel. Against the advice of counsel. I bengingazo admin or anything ani. Na bengizihlalele nje bengiziplomele nje.
ubuzenzele so
Ngichaya ama hazards.
But you're told not to say that, bro.
ubuzenzele so
Against the advice of counsel. Kulo muntu ofakile
Gonna give our lawyers a
Kulo muntu
sleepless
ofakile.
night now. Come on, bro.
Kulo muntu ofakile i-message izolo. They're like, hey, who sent my picture in your stupid group? Tell me now before we take things to another level. And I'm like, okay, first of all, good evening, ma'am. Good evening, Linja. Linja. How are you doing?
Manners,
Right.
yeah. Etiquette.
My second message was, approach is everything. Had you approached me properly, I would have assisted you with whatever you want to do. But now that you have told me about escalating things to a next level, and this has piqued my curiosity. So let's do that, actually.
I want to see you take things to the
Do you
next
know what
level.
the message, what the response was? What the response was? Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
udliwe egroupini uzodliwa lasecourt.
You know what's funny? Like, I'm a admin like go group le amadoda. Ubusithi okay, there's usithi kulabafana tebengena egroupini yethu amankazana.
Okay.
Babakhiphe. So kulamankazana ade hamba phela bese bezibiza Jabu wathi amabizo wathi athatha
As a counterintelligence.
Mina vele ngabona ukuthi ngingangena
Fake i-profile picture kabamdala wakhe.
Khohlwa kule nto kuthiwa i-eco-cash.
phakathi lapha.
Bahle bathi uJane.
Manje kunogena ugenile lapha nathi. Manje bangakwazi ukuthi umfana amdlaye u-admin wathi khiphaneni ulele. Esonto kungena.
Keep.
Uleleni.
Anyway, guys, it's fine. Let's move on.
Kade mvutshenisa ukuthi right. This screenshot the group of it, and it says Bulawayo women exposed. Then the rules, and men only. And then we are all here to find out the truth, right? And post a picture, let's expose them. Whatever happens here stays here. Then what
Bitch,
catches
please.
my attention is number 5. No cyberbullying allowed.
Bro, vele cyberbullying.
That's cyberbullying.
Like you're contradicting yourself. You say let's post people's
Group
pictures,
is
not their
cyberbullying,
consent,
babe.
and then
But
let's
guys,
expose them.
lingang-attack.
But
But
talent dangerous.
singacompare igroup yamankazana le abafana. Utheni?
Wonder what talent
What
dangerous.
talent dangerous phandle la? No cyberbullying when you're actually cyberbullying. Come on.
Umafoto wakhula
Come on.
nge-ZBC,
But
because
guys,
I think
mina,
this
there's something
item
I want to say about
was
these two
famous
groups.
ngesikhathi
Sure.
2000.
It's not that I'm defending
Studio
women.
263, talent dangerous phrase. Like it's common there, like it's like a 2007 shit.
In the
But anyway,
Of course you
continue.
would know.
Yeah.
Ngithi mina. Ama-groups lawa ayi-2 of course you know. Antweni ukwazi konke mos. Ama-group lawa ayi-2 mina if there's one thing engithandileyo ngegroup yamankazana. Of course there were a few lying, but girls were telling each other the truth. And they were not there to shame umfana ukuthi wala kule screenshot engisibonile egroup
Mina
yabafana
lana lelo
bebhala
ngeke
so
ngangena
imileage
zona.
yomuntu i-CV yakhe yonke hey walala lozo that's not the group what the group is for
I
like
feel like mase
bhala
lifaka
ukuthi
la
uyenza
mabizo
nobani
abantu,
careers
bhala ibizo lomuntu like that.
bruh amankazana bebengakhuluma ukuthi no me
It's
I
unlike,
want what
it's
ubusithi
unlike
wenza njalo
Amachita,
bekukhiphe
it's unlike Amachita what happened because you know boys as boys with no recording or you know sending evidence or anything and boys when they are together we can talk, you understand?
I feel like into kade zisenzakala
No,
kuma
even i-purpose yama-group la igcine ilahleka because I don't see the need for you to qasa ukuthi post ukuthi losu i-body count yakhe ngo-20
We even
thina
There was
egroupini
no
anti silanda ukuthi wena nxa kungodate umuntu omunye umdateayo ngesikhathi lezi akhulume
So,
but
Bala,
la
yeah,
usiqasa
uzibani,
ukhuluma ukuthi
remove
lo
the
walala
stomach.
lobani ezinye izinto
I love
bezingasekho
that one.
relevant
that was bound
like
to
igroup
happen.
vele ihle yaluza
that one was funny
Yabona lokuyana vele bekuzenzakala ngoba alright
aso history phela le
Vele.
ngasithi history group
sesi-exposile abantu abachithayo
But-
kulabantu abango-2000 egroupini wonke umuntu sesi-exposile
But-
senzeni sibukelane
Emajideni, it
No,
was
bese
quite
bhala, yes
different.
man remove the stomach
hayi bo
like you see
fuck would
into
you say
ezingangincediyo
that?
zona lezi ey
mike yakho ngani ayizwakali jeng
Ngizofaka abantu abadala egroupini abakwazi ukuba lisikhiwa lesiya apho ngungena nje bethabe kakhulu sopho ngupasta yonke into no one was even vetting who was getting in the group so noma yini bingena noma yini bingena
requirement ye-IQ
Noma yini
Ufuna
bingena.
ukwazi ukuthi wadliwa wazelwa
Content.
i-content creation there will be end of you guys there's a guy who was doing content in America who jumped out of a plane
Says a comedian.
Joseph Derry was found shaking these past 2 days
anyways
Mini content army is called family oriented. No, I don't do
This one is
satire.
also, ours is family planning oriented.
Ngizakutshalisela ngakuthi
But guys, makuthi umuntu wakho postiwe, bam exposer and you slept speaking in Mahendra, was sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, in a situation like that,
bazobuyelelana vele.
like all
When it's
jokes
all said
aside,
and done.
all jokes aside, right? I genuinely feel like for certain people, this was just bands, right? For Tina, that seemingly were not involved or affected. But for the people that were involved and affected,
Ngizokutreka.
In
congratulations.
sickness
the
and
groups
in health.
worked.
Ngizokutrack.
The groups worked for you. They did exactly what they were set up to do.
There's the people we are forgetting. Sikhuluma ngabo nje kuphela, but then guys, imagine we are talking about the legal repercussions. No. Let's talk about the victims, right? That girl who actually thought she was, she met a guy, what, and then after 2 weeks, it doesn't work out, right? And then she goes on to another guy. It's not really like Uguti were saying, Yidife, right? She's just trying, whatever is happening, right?
Yeah.
Then 7 postil. 7 means mental health. Kates Gunjan. There's people who were posted who don't even know that they were posted.
Yeah.
Lapas are find out corner. Gunjan. Because people will be looking at her and saying, or looking at him, saying, maybe I was posted. I don't even know. But then uyabona nje kuphela ngama interactions akho labantu. Ukuthi people abantu sebesenze ngani uyanoa nxa uthuje.
Ngilizwele sithi ma ungumfana ungapostanga uzibuze. Ma inkazana ungapostanga kushoni. Iqhilo red flag.
Remember, there's a Chinese proverb. There's a very nice Chinese proverb.
Wow.
If a key unlocks many doors, it is a master key. But if a padlock is unlocked by many keys, it's a shitty lock. So ngabona ungapostwanga umpostiwe, I think you got the answer.
Ndaba ngathi sile problem. Look, but look isikhanya lapha sharp.
Asiyakhanya, but our lighting is acting up. Abantu laba exposed, they're working against us. But it's cool. Asakhulume ngani Kares? Let's talk about other things, guys.
Question of the day.
There's a lot of things happening.
Question of the day.
A lot of things
Question
happening.
of the day. Are you guys ready for the question of the day? It's sharp, man.
Yep.
So Mbuzo lo,
Even perfect. Yeah, perfect.
what are your thoughts on your partner keeping pictures of their ex in their phone?
Fuck that shit.
Ngase
iCloud kabani? Nge-family sharing kabani?
ngifisa ukuthi umbuzo lo like so expand ngoba wodwa sesingakhuluma 5 minutes isiqede ngathi labantu abakhulumayo like lama ex aba lokho bechatta lama ex aba. How do you feel? Or
Can I
what are
answer
your
because I have to
thoughts
go?
about that? Yeah,
Can
sure.
I answer because I have to go?
Sure.
So for me, do I have pictures of my ex on my phone? No, even Sisonke, like I don't have them. So Lokana. Did it? Life goes on.
Out of sight, out of mind.
There's no need for me to keep that. Unless maybe Saturday groups I have that obviously because you're not the only one in that picture. But sing 2 or 1, you don't need to be on my phone. You don't need to be on my laptop. You don't need to be anywhere. If I posted you on social media, which I really do, I really even post anyone on social media. If I did, I'll go and delete that post. It's as simple as that.
Quick question.
Yes.
Are you married?
No.
You're not married.
Yes.
So he's waiting for 40.
Yes.
Hey,
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
In that aspect, are you aware that people that date do break up and go back together?
Yeah.
So in the sense of documentation, what if you go back to that
Also
individual?
delete my
Yeah,
pictures.
But here's
no
the
memories
but
to
here's the
be
thing.
made,
But here's the thing. Here's the thing. Most of the time, it has happened. Most of the
like
time, we've stopped dating. We as we mahlanzo.
So when is the right time?
As we mahlanzo.
You've never
That's
been in
why
love.
you are single.
My phone I saw it for all the dogs. Like. I saw it for all the dogs.
Let me finish. Then what was the second?
Are you
Are you still in contact with your exes? Or what are your thoughts? Ngabantu aba still in contact.
2 weeks ago,
There's an ex I still talk to.
Okay.
I still talk to.
Guessing she's
Expose.
special.
There's an ex I still talk to because whether I like it or not,
She's special.
we will always have to work in the same line of
Lilomntwana?
business. We always have to work in the same line of business.
Quit your job.
Right, so there's no other way. There's no other way There's no
Jane
other way.
Banazo manje current
but,
girlfriend.
but if an ex of mine
Jane
says,
Seventeen
I'm a 40, if an ex of mine says, I'm a 40 unjani, can you do me a favor, A, B, C, D, F, G? If I'm able to do, I'll do the favor
La
because...
uyacela ama-favor phela ungabi one sided.
Yeah, that might do if
Bese
I need,
ucela ungikhothise.
like especially the ones, like, yeah, I do
you
like,
do me a favor?
stuff like that. So, but keeping their pictures, no, I don't. Guys, it's been a
Physical
pleasure.
favor.
I'll see you. I have to run.
Drops the mic.
Mic drop.
I was gonna say, don't keep pictures, bro. What's the use?
Exiting
Unless if
sound.
you're someone ole nonchalance ekuleveni le ukuthi you don't even go through your pictures.
I genuinely would say, I think we'd have to redefine what love is. Because
That I'm
ukuthi
like,
ungena
go
nge-art
through my
ungena
pictures
ngesende
every
ngeke
6 months.
Mina think
Love
yama
is the
pictures yama pictures ukuthi lokhu i-break up ihambe njani.
Yeah.
Thank you. That's where I was coming. Mina.
Lala bani ukuthi sick. Exactly. Love sick. Kuyintsha.
Yeah.
Level isathandana.
Ikhule lokhu zinini
Nxa
eli-1.
lisenza njalo vele besathandana.
Yabo? Ngihle ngisuke straight khona ngekugallery. Vela ngicabange ka 20 vele. Ngihle
My guy.
yabo?
Siyafanana.
Then kube la lokhuyana ukuthi awuyibonanga i-break up yangikhona ibuya. Like I feel like
Natural
It's
death.
not you, it's
Lena
me.
bakupla.
It's not you, it's
Natural
me.
death, yeah.
It's not you, it's me.
Came like a thief in the night.
Lena uleqala textana ka 10 2 1 0.
From good morning babe to
You know I love
hi.
you, right? Yeah. Said,
Direct depression ugcina ube ngumGalatia.
Sanjana so.
You know I love you, right? Yabo. So angazi.
Na vele na mvumelana lawo. You know, if it's that situation yokuthi whatever, lan, you know, I break up yangikhona ngabuya ngendlela lana engani njani. Go efonini. Every picture, including pictures with other people, for as long as your face is there. Put it in one place, delete, go to recycle bin and delete. You understand?
Inkabi ziyazonda.
Inkabi yabizondile. Uthi nxa
Inkabi
ufika etown wachayisana la etown abantu beqedile ukuthi kara umbonile uzibani. You know, but then
Mina.
Yagcina ngikhuluma ibizo lakhe.
Hayi.
umzilo kunqawa ngikhona.
Ubonile ibizo njani?
Hayi, lona vele ngathi the day kuphela ngadelete. Not because I was angry at him.
Yabona manini engakaqhubeki. This should be a lesson. Lisakhumbula ababukelela i-podcast
Wena.
abasuke lathi kudala.
Ibukele khathesi.
Abasuke lathi kudala ku-podcast bayakwazi ukuthi ngikhuluma ngayo. Anyways qhubeka.
No, I'm over that. But the thing is, the reason why I deleted the same day, I hated how stupid I looked for so long.
I hate the way that you
people
talk.
tried to tell me, I hate the way that you talk. I hate how you dress. I hate for everything that Kendrick said. No, I'm not bitter. Everyone, including you, told me we were being a style.
Jane.
Yeah.
Usungenza umuntu ekuwa but qhubeka.
Babekutshela wena wathi hayi
I mean,
delulu Yesu.
I hated. What made me angry was me being a fool for a very long time. That's what made me just press delete yonke into. Angila even one. Yabo? But in my current setup, yena kungathiwa mina kuthi angingeni ku-gallery yendoda guys very funny yendoda angibambi even 2 seconds. Guys mina ngibambi because you know what, if you take a man's phone, there's stuff you see, right? Mina I'm an overthinker. I sleep thinking about the stuff I didn't see. There might be stuff he could have deleted, but the stuff he deleted just in case you get his phone, that's what I'm gonna obsess over. And I don't wanna live like that.
Ngihlala ngitshela abantu ukuthi mina ndo cousin into le abantu bahlala bemphikisa ndabo cousin bama bayi2 othiwa ngubaby lo baby lo sweet angilitsheli manje angilitshela lalela nini abantu lawa ngizabacela ukuthi babe bazokhomenta ku like ngizazama ukuba dinga
Iyo mabizo abo?
like efamilini yabona lokho yantu kuthiwa Pinky Fana
Baku family.
Bona ngubhebi.
Baku family group.
bona ngubaby
Baku family group. Baku family group.
Hi, endlini vele sibizwana njalo yabo
Baku family group.
So,
Yini,
aba-
screenshot
asi-
family group.
awura sharp nzenza njani ukuthi mina ngikho ku family group yeah.
Awukho ku family group.
Yeah.
Okay.
Angikho yabona reason why ngingekho kwini mina ngilama sticker bhedayo WhatsApp amanye afohlela ngemistake yabo yabo usulifakile lapha nestika ku family group usenzakala ezinye izinto yabo but yeah qhubeka Jane.
But as I was saying, like, if he has, I've never gone through his phone. If he has pictures of his ex, I'm very okay. The age that I'm at, I'm no longer delusional. I can feel if I'm being taken for a pose or what. So if he has those pictures, maybe not because he wants to hold on, or maybe it's just something that once happened. It's just a picture, you know. Umuntu ufuna ukuzigcinela
azigcinela ukuthini
ngoba yakwazi ukuthi angisoze ngivule ifoni yakhe
uyigcinela ukuthi ngobunye ubusuku nje my boy laphana
usuku lude
mara engakuyenza ke
phela wena
I will
usakhumbula
let it go because I know the plans I have for you.
hayibo
Just that.
yo
Ngiyadlala guys, ngiyadlala.
dangerous.
but I mean
Ngiyadlala. No, why the fuck are you keeping your ex's pictures?
Giving you.
mina amanye ama-picture khona segcekeni ngiyabe ngizathi but abe maningi kakhulu
Ukhohliwe guys.
abe maningi kakhulu usungazama sibili ukuthi
Mina ngingakulaliyana maybe ngicanganilele njenge-sniper angiyi-delete. It's like, those are pages in my
Essential.
place. Like,
Angikutshela iCloud yakhe yangenzelani?
yeah yavumbulula
Hayi, kule phone engangiyithengelwe ngomunye la engangizwana like that. So ngavula iCloud ngafaka isibongo somfana yabo. Kudala vele more than 8 years ago. iCloud ibisithi ibivumbulula ama-email lana ngoba kuphuma i-email ena ilebizo lami lesibongo lesiyana. Hey.
The future.
Jesus Christ
What? Isibongo sikawathi ayingogo kwelebizo lifoni lami. Which was true though, but
but abona nani mina ngeza ngithatha i-energy yami ngidelete hayi xa ngidelete lenza delete ama ikhona abe khona but into engibuza ukuthi ukukhuluma kile ama exes because I feel like le ama picture le
my picture, Jay, like,
ama picture
how often do you go back to your pictures?
Akulande tiphi ngama picture for mina awulande
Instagram doesn't remind you or Snapchat. You never scroll.
Vele
Exactly,
le-
ngoba ngathi
Yes,
baku-remind.
kukhumbuza le birthday ka baby what moye ka ex.
yahleka
Delete
Ngazi-
maybe my baby.
mina lelinye voice note yomunye umjita esithi mfethu usakhumbula icherry yakho lena awuzithi ujola la nxa libukela imovie apause imovie athi tell me what you have learned aningabi icherry yakho lena lesithi nxa lingabukela imovie athi baby pause what have you learned so far
They did a literature teacher.
anyway ekuchatha ke because I
Ah,
feel like
wait.
kule
Singahambe uychat on the pictures one, right? I don't know if there's any other guys that are like me here, but me personally, I don't go through my gallery. I don't,
do from
bro.
time to time
Me,
That
maybe
thing I
once or
feel,
twice in a year, I'll go through my gallery and clear. Like, and on that day, and
Actually, the memories app that actually makes
Exactly.
you go through. But otherwise, besides that, no.
ngiyabasemphelele ispace mdala.
ngifuna ukuclear laba
Ngiyabasemphelele ispace.
Vele the idea of deleting pictures, noma injani, kuyabe kucaphula. Wena,
Yeah.
You'd rather just take everything one fake maybe laptop or whatever hard drive.
So to anyone that is listening to this right now, let me tell you this on behalf of every nigger that is breathing oxygen and exhaling carbon dioxide. We don't deliberately keep Jane.
yazi inose
When it,
I don't know. Now in my
I think
circle,
ama-picture kuya ngokuthi relationship yankhona iphele njani
no, I'm saying even with that in mind, I don't think there's any nigga in here that keeps stock of all right, gallery yami kulobani.
mina ngike ngawa-delete.
Mana ngikhiphe bani. No, it's important.
That was a very
Once in a while you have to delete like to keep to clear space or something. I don't know.
No, isn't particularly.
Okay, all right, fine. Now, I can't help you there, my
But there's
brother.
always that one that is always kept in the gallery. There's always that one, that essential one.
Picture.
The one. The one.
qabangani ngathi
I know, I never mind, man.
imezo Clearly very confused.
From a picture, bro.
Guys, I'm trying to think of the pictures though, but I don't have pictures.
Nah, fam. No,
Actually, I'm actually on a different substance now. So,
Saying good
sorry,
to
guys.
So yeah, bese sikhuluma ngiyokukhuluma.
Yes,
Ukuthi
yes,
yona. what
Yeah,
are
I
your
mean,
thoughts?
my take on ukukhuluma ukuthi
wait.
you're right.
When you say kuluma, what do you mean? Just define it for people that are catching up with the
Hi.
conversation.
Vale X, Jay.
How are you? I'm fine, how are you?
Aye, that's a tricky
Comment
one.
the status.
Or ungapost into efani. Ha 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 ha. Yo. Yabo. Or maybe kiki or something.
Ungati, hey,
Yabo.
Faka
Or maybe
mawaya abangu-2.
ufuna i-favor. Njengoma 40. Andomzila u10.
yeah,
Maybe ngi ufuna umenzele something. Ah
yeah,
bro.
yeah.
Ngiyakwazi ukuthi maybe ngi wena vele uyisikhokho sepapa. Ngicela ungenzele. Yabo. Then usumenzele. And stuff.
Right. Laba we have to consider ukuthi kulabanye abantu ababe ex yakho, but then you made life together. You understand? So
Cute
for
babies.
purposes of co-parenting,
Oh, sorry.
we definitely you'd have to what? You'd have to communicate every now and then. What? But then
About what?
about the
what?
kids.
Oh, you mean kids?
Can I just life?
Ngokubuza ukuthi life yakho yini?
Guys, moments can be live. But
Yeah. Okay.
oh,
Yeah.
kids,
Yeah.
ah, so
Yeah.
ah.
Which brings us to another
Kids
to
are
another
nice.
crazy segue, because King Yamazulu recently loboled and married a mother of
A baddie of 3?
3. But anyway,
On this one,
nah, isegue le
Yeah, isegue. I know it's fine. That's
so
all right.
kusho ukuthi
Yeah.
kuyadepend ukukhuluma kwakhona. No, noma ku justified or justified.
Yeah, yeah.
But ukukhuluma kwabantu abake bakhiphana impahla is not safe.
It's very dangerous.
Very
and
dangerous.
ungakungeni.
Jane, kuyatholakala ukuthi wena nxa ukhuluma le ex yakho wena. All right, besikhuluma isikhathi sonke lesi.
Ungakahili, bra.
No. What I'm saying is
Imika?
Hayi,
Uma 40
Mcini.
ngilikhangela.
But Mcini, wait.
Ngilikhangela.
Mcini, wait.
Mana sike
You know, there's a certain candidate we thought I would never ever get over. I mean, Chona Sita, I will always listen to Whitney.
Yeah. So mina
So
into engitshoyo
it's
ukuthi
possible. Don't listen to this.
sensiba ngu-K Breeze kale sengifake iphilosophy. Yazi into lena kuthiwa yi-Swiss cheese model. Ukuthi i-R iyangena
Yeah.
ezikhaleni zonke lezi. So kuzochayisana ngeday laye.
Lie enjani.
Kuyachayisana laye ngeday laye ekukhanuka ecapulele le boyfriend yakhe. Lawe ngeday umkhanuka ecapulele le boyfriend.
Lokho
yakhe.
na
Kuzahamba njani?
lalanini. Into le dangerous mawukuthi
ukukhuluma vele ingozi.
i-dangerous mawukuthi
Noma udakiwe.
mawukuthi
Exactly. Thina siyanatha guys.
Kahle.
Thina siyanatha.
mawukuthi uku-relationship I think it's more dangerous vele ukuthi ukhuluma ne-ex yakhe yabo but mawukuthi
Ngikho ngithi
awula
i-Swiss
muntu
cheese model.
ojwela laye akala muntu
Yeah.
ojwela laye what's the qwa then you qwela
Exactly. You're definitely
I
gonna
was single
quell.
that day.
Yeah.
ayibo
Like we're single. And the guys, babengawuhethanga kuhle.
That's one instance
Maybe
phela.
mina ngiya-overthink. Because I don't let shit go.
Usukukhulumile wathi
I do not
babengawuhethanga
let shit.
kuhle.
I'm not Jesus.
we don't wanna
Jesus
hear
don't
you
forgive
say
you. I'm
nigga
not.
no more
Nale problem eyi-1. Nale problem eyi-1.
sure
Yonke into yabe yiswi. Ubona umuntu uthutshu. Even akunika okuyi-high mbu. Okuyi-high, the body remembers.
Yazi,
Vele yabe
appetite
sofuna
ifit.
ukubuyela.
awanya kudinga ukuthi lihlangane
Ah,
madoda
vele khona
umuntu
apho.
yathi hi
But ukhanya
Andiyabona.
ingoma ayithanda so.
ube confused so uthi kathi hi lo ngwani
Abantu hayi bonke abahambe bezobasindana. Kebe ngelandaba. But kule day zasenu hayi lwana.
Lungisa ilozi. mic
Why do
angazi
you switch off the mic, dog? VJ,
don't switch off the mic
I'm saying kuzaba safe but to a certain point. Kule langa lapha zasenda khona uhayi lwana. Akuthwele la into zakho ama affairs akhe ngekho right.
ngiyakukhanuka
Uyabo?
yami ngiyakukhanuka
Not me, Shem. Mina uyabungithe wafika ekucineni kwesihogo sikaSathane.
I'm not. Now what I'll say is,
Basement
there's
in
never
hell.
there's never been a day where I say to someone, "I miss you," and they didn't say, "I miss you too."
We lie. Oh, sorry.
Ah, Jay.
You know, hey,
But you
fuck this
Sorry,
shit,
I'm
man. Hey,
joking.
fuck this podcast.
Imagine not going to heaven for a small lie. Like, I miss you too.
I mean, I'm not man.
That's a long white lie, bro. Like,
Oh, I miss you.
No, but also in the same breath, let me say, there's been people that have said I miss you, and then I'm like, thanks.
hey.
I appreciate it.
Thanks, you're bitter and you still.
No, I know it depends on how you say thanks.
better
Nah,
than
yeah,
that.
think of fucking like my
Thanks.
emojis, landlani, you know.
Thanks.
Yeah.
I miss you.
But
thanks.
there's one person where
Engati,
I miss you, Engati, I miss you too.
So, what's the plan? And you right. Mana, maybe
worst person to have is an ex-shem.
sisiyaduzile le conclusion ye-topic le. Nxa umuntu wakho othandana like Ares, userious kakhulu ngaye. Try avoid your exes. Kuphela.
Okay, yeah, sure.
God does that for me.
Okay.
But manje ama-bestie la, I
Bump
think
into them.
sesingazama ukuthi sihle siyibhonyele khonapho ukuthi yona nxa maybe nxe usujola lo muntu kade ulo male best or female best kwenzakalani
Ubesti umamakho. Ma ungumfana.
Ubesti
umamakho. Ma uyinkazana ngubhuti wakho ngubaba ngumjesu. One of the three.
Ubesti win. Because now sithi ubesti lapha we're trying
Liyabazi ubesti
we're
win.
insinuating a platonic relationship with
liyabazi ubestie
reality.
Yeah, it is, bro.
No.
It is.
icherry yakho ile
I can testify,
Done.
yeah.
othi wena ungamosha bathi uthwayithwayi lolwana
Hayi mina ngila. Mina.
lungumosheni yabo
Abanganginiki reason yokwenza njalo.
bese ngibuza mina ukuthi ubest uyangaphi like
Naso
liyaxoxa
ujola
indaba obest
Dala, i-Atletico ngaziswela i-striker ayisoze yaxotsha uGriezmann. Khumbule khonokho.
Okay, mina ngake ngaba lo best yani. And every time ngangisithi ngingangena ku relationship somehow sasifaka i-distance angikwazi ukuhamba njalo.
Lina mankazana problem yini lingakhomba.
Laye futhi ayisithi angajola ayengabambeki. Manje kwajola yena wangiblocker guys.
Ukuthi la lifunana.
Kwajola
amankazana
wangiblocker.
Mina i-contesta khona ukuthi i-relationship yami lo muntu lo opposite gender i-genuine yini bayikho ayikho genuine. Engakhonjwe qala sikumbuliza esendle mbona ukuthi lokhu kuyamfuna lo. Lami ngakhonjwe mbona engaseko comfortable ukukhuluma la nye mbona ukuthi lapha lo muntu lo siyafunana.
Wena suthi uthi yabongakwazi ukuthi yamfuna.
Ngeke ngakabi certain, ngeke ngakabi apparent.
Lingabotshela umngane ukuthi liyamfuna.
Cause kulabanye abantu ukuthi
Wathakazela.
uyakwanisa ukuthi umintroduce ukuthi alo umkhana wami vele ubonda
Yeah,
lo
yeah.
vela ngisoke vela ngamenza lo.
Maybe nguye umuntu wakho yena lo vele.
Obest bakho kumele ube umuntu ongaso type yakho.
yeah
Wena ungathi uthanda oslender ube lo best ongoslender, it's a problem waiting to happen.
Mele uyidinga usijuje.
Exactly.
buhlanga
Nga uthanda izidudla kumele ubest wakho abe ngoma last number eslender intambo ikhandlela. Ungabona wena i-type yakho ngothanda utshela abale degree lo best wakhe le degree you're going.
Akuyenzi.
Yeah, at some point you're different.
But kuyayenza.
No,
But I feel
kumele
like
udinge umuntu ongela grade 7
Nxa-
best
nxa-
wakho.
nxa ukuthi
If you're
ulabangani.
attracted to utshela abale degree.
xa uthi labangani abamature yabo kumele ba-respect ukuthi useku
Hey, you
relationship
don't even need to tell them.
kulezinye izinto kade maybe ncela ixoxa ngazo lezi khathi maybe uthumela ngazo ama-message akusayenzi
So maybe belinikana.
Huh?
hey
Lo besti.
Anti yabona wena
Mature bra. Babe phanana sibili.
Just.
yeah
Kungena amafili. Obvious uyi-one yebesi.
Exactly. Yabona?
mgcini la uyahlupha hamba uvala umnyango
le ikhuluma ingane bake bayitshele
I
ukuthi
saw a
ikhuluma
meme.
Ngithi
I saw a
inspiritor.
meme ukuthi kuthiwa nxa ufuna uba kwasithi umnandi. Kuthiwa nxa umfana ekuqaleni ukuba nqunu.
I think it's time to close the show. We came at you live.
Wait. That was a nice one. That was a nice one. I'm not trying to think. I'm not trying to think.
angaze
Okay.
ngicabange njalo
Ekuqaleni wathi ukhangela ngani uthi usithi umthole nje so.
osathi
just
habe
know.
habe yini manje le
That was a nice one. We quit it, eh?
Like for the past 5 minutes.
Manje-
For the past 5 minutes.
isiphunyu-phunyu
I can't do it.
Like for the past 5 minutes, besides this, some cholo.
That kuthiwa uCherry ubona ukuthi umnandi ngokuthi nxa bekangena ebedroom umjida abe nguye uqala ukununa.
Oh yeah.
How?
Umfazi makabe shy.
Mafoti, is that you? Umfazi umnandi if the guy is so eager kube kuyoqala ukukhipha uqala.
Avela
impahla.
hlubule fast. Yena usase
Zilenhloni.
yonke into.
Umfazi sagqokile when tripod
Wena nje
isinje.
mdala ukhiphile nje.
Yazi, I wanted to
Mtongo solo boy.
I wanted to say something and ngabe ngicabanga ukuthi alright i-podcast le iphuma ngemande. Lapha ngabe
Athi kule
ngizishisa.
disclaimer yini
Ngabe ngizishisa. Ebalwa yimi.
Nah.
wena apha uncedeke mfana.
Ebalwa yimi.
Uncedeke sham.
No, never mind. Kubekani madoda?
But I know.
Yeah.
Asazi abantu abalaleleyo
Asabe
abantu
bathini?
ababukeleyo isikhathi sokukhomenta lesitshela ukuthi lina licabanga. Do you think abantu kumele baxoxe lama ex abo yini or
No, wait.
bagcina amapikitsha?
If this was the question, right? I didn't mention what my point was.
Khuluma fa.
All right. Asambe bathini. Shout out to Boss Mcini, Boss Chain, Boss Ralph. We see you. Right.
Boss Blambi.
Boss Blambi.
Singafandwanga nje
sorry.
podcast. So on this point, right? I think it depends on not really your relationship with your ex, but on the terms of which you parted. Right? Some relationships like Pela, they're really hey dog. They're really a toxic, very hey, fuck you, fuck your mother. Mama
Bastard bitch.
Hey, motherfucker.
I hate the way that you
fucker, uncle fucker. I hate
talk.
Exactly. You know, then there are some where you and I, like, we sit down, we have a conversation saying, no, look, we are, hey. What the fuck? Wait, what just happened?
Yeah. No.
Hi, please. Inhliziyo yami icishe yama.
Yeah. So anyway, right, there's relationships where, like, we're not breaking up. We have a conversation and say, look, sehlezi phansi lapha, our relationship can...
But ukhona behleli kuqala.
Aye, listen.
Ama relationship anjani?
Listen. Don't project.
No, it's fine. I'm projecting.
Don't
But it's
project.
fine.
Right. Essentially,
Don't episode.
the relationship
Don't
can't go
episode.
on because one, maybe we're incompatible, maybe we're having communication issues, maybe
Akula
it's a long distance thing.
Abakufuni.
Listen, don't project.
Sorry.
Don't project.
Sorry.
Exactly.
Don't episode.
Even
Please.
in relationships like mine, and even the ones that you are describing, I feel like at some point you'll be like, you know what? Fine, your relationship and separated, but you and I can still communicate.
Oh, let them communicate.
Asobangani. Right.
Izinto zi-amicable. Siyakwazi ukuhlangana
Well, I
la.
make exactly. We can
Sibingelelane.
meet
Yabo,
up and it's
kungabi
not weird.
awkward.
It's not awkward.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yona
Good
la
point.
dangerous engisho.
Aye. No, there's
Yona
no potential.
la lengozi.
Ya inkabi idako
Mina
yebo.
vela mvumi inkabe ekhuluma le ex.
Like for example, and let's say no James Gazajola.
Uzathola ukuthi Mrs Zulu maybe lebe kuyi ex yakhe bayehlukana embeya shona
Exactly.
abantu.
Ufana nje ukuthi uzibhana mfuna ukuzikhuluma la. Mina vele ngiyabloka ngacabanga ka 3 shem because
Ublock umfana lo uthanga kumela.
Jane, ba utshela abantu block it uyasiblock.
La ngambloka nje.
Nah, you see now, you're
If you meet Jane, you block me.
hayi no, let's say bengathi mblock umuntu maybe maybe angikwazi.
Council of Elders.
No, but maybe let's say ebona ukuthi me okay, asithi ebona ukuthi umfana lo uyangifuna and maybe lami kule something engani nginesifiso. Angathi block, I will block because I know how it feels to be uncomfortable ngokuthi ukhuluma lo muntu ungani threaten existence yakhe what you know.
Yeah.
But
Ama
ungathi
insecurities.
block aswala insecurity guy umuntu yabebona
Insecurities.
Anti-security, but excuse.
Yeah, sometimes
Khuluma
also
nje
insecurity
Excuse.
uyabebona ukuthi kule vulnerability la.
Yeah,
Eh,
umuntu
uyabona
okuya-
Le
ukudala
risk,
umuntu.
yeah, yeah.
umuntu okuyabomazi.
Read ibody language yakho futhi uma ingakhuluma.
Ngeke ngabona
ngomuntu
futhi enye imimi ukuthi wena nxa kuyikuthi sihlanganiswe ukuthi sihlangane cocktail Wednesday. Kwahlo waba i-girlfriend yami khona ngale. Next week mina ngiyathi nisekhwekwe ngikuze sithi cocktail Wednesday.
Avela
It's a no. Cause usiyathola enye indoda khona ngale. Indlela wanithola ngayo.
Yeah.
Wona uyalahla ngale cocktail Wednesday. So no. Don't go there.
No, but i-defense yakhe ukuthi bro uyakwazi ukuthi i-life yami le vele. Besivele sihlala sihlangana khona.
But still
Indlela esikholisa ngayo.
akwenzi lokho. Kufana vele nje. Kufana lo ukuthi wena maybe hijack abantu like ukwazi ukuthi ujayele kuba timela maybe nxa umelela igate like lapha until livuleke sana press remote. La nxa usi drive endlini yakho nxa unga press remote yakusamele igate livuleke drive in. Kule nto izabe ibombu kulokhu ingani kwenziwe
I
ube
mean,
edge
I
like.
wouldn't ban a guy. Let's say he met me somewhere and he don't go there.
Ebawa James. Sikhuluma ngebawa.
Yes, because you're gonna look
mina ngeke
insecure.
ngikubhane.
But the truth of it, at the back of their mind, into leyana bazayiprocess. But especially nxa engiyekho ku situation. Ngifake example yokuthi mina
ucabange njalo.
ngihambe ku work trip. Then wena sengikuzungitshela ukuthi susiye cocktail Wednesday.
So
Lapho
does it
engikwazi
mean-
sahlangana khona.
Does this mean I like everyone I see at the bar?
Yeah.
Ama insecurities.
Lapha sokusiya, you know, you can read your person's body language if you speak about something.
Yeah.
You can tell. She can say something else, but her face and everything else will tell
Body
you
language.
ukuthi you are bullshitting or you're actually speaking about something that's actually happening. Makungela lutho, unkazana wakho uyambamba before she even thinks about doing anything. Even when she's thinking of texting another guy, you can read everything.
Ayakufila.
Unless lijolela ama reasons are wrong, then you don't know that person. But mina ngabe ngifuna ukukhangela elihlweni nje man, I will just know everything. It's up to me to be delulu and stay or go.
Delulu is the solution.
Okay.
Ne?
All right.
So
What was the other thing?
Abantu
shop.
bathi senze i-follow up ye-beef ka
Oh
Drake.
yes, because
Drake
I
and
feel
Drake.
like
ngesikhathi
when we dropped the episode, we
Golo
only
Euphoria
had
ba?
like 2 or 3 songs out.
Yeah.
So now it's like 5 or 6 songs later. So
Yeah. So, what do you guys think about the whole beef? They winner. Singafika kupoint ukuthi alright sharp ukhona owinileyo or silokhu singathi sisa digester kube i-draw what happened?
all right, Mina, what I feel is this beef didn't confirm the
The winner.
and also the stereotypes because people were saying Kendrick is like untouchable, he's the boogeyman, this. And then abanye futhi they were saying Drake is too soft. Drake actually stood his ground on this beef.
Nah, bro.
He really stood his ground.
Lalela.
And futhi abanye babethi Drake akwanisi kurapa, Drake ulama ghost rider.
I feel
Drake
like-
stood his ground.
I
Bro.
feel like it's the other way around.
yeah.
uDrake vele uyijayele like into ayijayele ukuthi
Exactly,
uyaqala
ujayele
abantu
imisindo.
uyaqala abantu vele yabo so
Yeah.
i-reaction ka Kendrick leya uDrake beka expect ukuthi izaba like umjidi
Yeah.
uza respond ngendlela responde
I responding ngayo.
Yebo.
So that's what I'm saying. Ukuthi ibeef le like it's not what people were expecting. Abanye bebe expect to Kendrick uza drop like ingoma e1 elama angazi to ama triple entendre 30 like but no, he actually had to use a strategy yokuthi spam uDrake like keep ingoma eziningi lokho emtroll senzani for him to actually ukuthi la away
Drake akazange wathi ngiyonika umjidi information.
yes, that's another point futhi yokuthi
Do you guys believe that?
Drake is claiming ukuthi they planted indaba 11-year-old.
Yeah.
I would like to think it's Kendrick. No, though maybe one saw Drake or plantileyo. Kendrick lapana ube too excited like he didn't research when he filed a little delay. Because on the next song he doesn't touch on it even once.
Ukuthi bonke baqamba amanga.
Yeah.
Ngathi
another
sizathi
thing.
bonke baqamba amanga because akulo
Also, I would like to take this moment, I'm a hip hop fans, I would like to take this moment to shout out to Pusha T. He actually changed the way people are beefing. Because Pusha T, after keep fighting like Drake, right now, wonke ama beef, ungananzilela, even like when Nicki Minaj, those bani, umuntu owini beef, keep her like your darkest secret. Uthi, when I'm say, was to kisana, those bani smokehouse. Ngingavele ngikhulume noma bazame work nje imese wini beef. So bangene le template ka Pusha T ku beef le la uDrake bezwakala ukuthi ngani desperate ukuthi akhiphe like into esingayaziyo ngoKendrick.
But I mean,
La uKendrick ube desperate akhiphe something ngoDrake. So I think akusafana labo hit them up ukuthi kumbe
fuck Biggie.
like your typical rap back yokuthi nxa wena umela phambi nami nga ngifaka ipunchline eli blind ngutshele kubi ngithi ayikho t-shirt yakhitshwa peni abantu bahleke like I have to like sort of yeah so many sticker upusha thi nguye owasethi president yena le and for me ichazi guy just leave that shit for the bloggers bro.
But
ukabelo ukhona ukabelo wathi hey uKendrick akhiphe my hits my hits abantu
say Oviho.
Lapana kube ngumastard. Umastard seems like mustard is a problem with Drake. So we knew Kendrick Pizzella. And that's a bomb. But then even Loud Drake, the third part of Family Matters, that item is a bomb, bro.
Yeah.
Actually melody.
Yep.
So I don't know if it's actually it's actually Joe Budden. This is like the greatest beef history hip hop.
And abantu abadala besithi the greatest beef. Abantu abaphile kuqala.
Into le ibichaza.
Shuthi lathi ngo-2050 mawukuthi siyaphila.
Will actually be referring back to this thing.
Sizakhuluma ukuthi ngo-2024 sasikhona. We were there
no matter what. Beef le ibichaza guys. Yikuthi abantu they always want. Of course it's an exchange, it's a battle.
Those Kendrick songs when you're a Drake fan because I was feeling pain and joy at the same time.
Yeah, lambe benziza ubuhlungu because I like Obi but yeah.
I was popping my head like I'm quite going like get out.
But in the way really got me thinking ukuthi like bese ngifuna ukucabanga nje ukuthi let's say maybe uJane abhifela umcimbi ngicabanga ukuthi i-district kaJane yabinjani. Got me thinking ukuthi since vele sokuthusha ngeangle lani emfihlo like uzaba like kungaba ngama akula ungacabanga like cabanga your closest friend.
Yeah,
right
I'm
now.
not going to lose at all.
I'll lose.
But I don't bounce, but yeah, I think I might lose to him because I always tell him.
I'm
shit.
thinking it's 50-50, bruh.
Lama, I think maybe I go 45.
Destroy each other.
I might actually get him, Lamia.
Mina into engingayikhuluma man. Mina think vele ngahle mbe nguJ Cole.
What?
Also, in hindsight, this one with J. Cole was actually clever, bro.
Yeah.
Doing this.
Do you think
Cause
he had stuff to hide that he didn't want?
yes, obvious. And then other thing with April ade yisho ukuthi kungaba ngamanga ukuthi lo mntwana kungaba ngamanga ukuthi liphetho but abantu beNike or abantu beSteak nxa wena unguDrake bakukhethela ukuthi you are the most stainless guy nguwe blind all ama numbers. But nxa sokule debate yona leya nxa kulabantu abayi-10 million abadebateayo nxa bayi-5 million besithi wena guilty laba yi-5 million besithi awukho guilty it means ikibo
No, but mina
credibility yabo siyehlile mbijana so it actually shook up the boardrooms into le
mina
it really did.
Into engiyikhulu kade enzayikhuluma if istain sika Drake besikhona. Uthi for umuntu ohlale advocate for black excellence yabo. Dr. Uma vibes yabo. Drake referred to Kendrick athi my rapper ngathi ufuna uku free ama slaves. Bro.
But
Yananzelela
that's what
ukuthi
Kendrick does though.
no bro lalela.
No, he's just poetic. Don't be biased.
Nanzelela ukuthi already
Don't be
ngoku refer to
I remember he was conflicted
lalela.
misusing your influence. No.
Ngicela
Trying
nokuqeda.
to free the slaves, bro.
Bro, the fact that vele uthi uyawazi ukuthi iyachisa indaba ye racism America kare so umuntu omnyama you're still referring to umuntu omnyama as a slave. Umuntu omnyama usase slave kare
2024.
ngo-2024. Abantu abamnyama
mentally.
labantu kade bengafuni
Maybe mentally.
labantu kade bengafuni ukusayidala lokhu izene letha 2.
How?
Andy.
Bekukubela one by one.
Welcome to the Pringles show.
So lalela labantu kade bengafuni ukusayidala Kendrick. The fact that uDrake uthe wena uhlawulela ama slaves. Bra.
Yeah, that was just.
Yabo. But again, uKendrick la zikhona ezinye izinto azikhulumileyo bro that is out of pocket iziningi. bonke vele bakhulumile into lezi.
Yes, nigga, you were 69 guy.
Yeah, look, can I get cars? I think Kendrick lapha bhayeze khona the Meet the Grams. That's where he messed up because even lama prescription lana,
Ithi lena la
11-year-old, yeah.
Asolika Undertaker.
Le bitch la ngani le depressor, so yeah. I think like Kendrick lapha were too excited. But bottom line, this was an exciting pick. Like who won? The fans won.
And Drake also.
Security
and
scale.
There were people who were shooting up outside
Oh,
his
also,
house.
I actually wanted to
Do you
address
think
that
that's
one.
true?
That's not Kendrick. Drake has been beefing with The Weeknd for the longest time.
But I don't.
The
think
Weeknd is from Toronto.
Oh,
The
and
manager
Mnando.
wakhe
Speaking
uCash
of
XO.
Toronto,
So,
Yay! Yay! Yay!
so
Nigga, ow.
what happened is
Get
last
up.
week. Angazi ngasirekhoda lokho maybe kube sokuyi 2 weeks back. Indlu kaCash XO. I-partner ka The Weeknd, umanager ka The Weeknd. Wathi esanda kuvela
Phela.
endlini evela ku-show. Someone intruded and shot up his house. Yeah. So it's actually a Toronto bakery. Kendrick has nothing to do with that thing.
Akusela lutho Jane.
I said, welcome to. Ababukele lapha Stanley bosithengela ama-Pringles ku-show. Because we're actually fighting for these items here.
Vele lingakwenza
actually gave
kuhle
you more. That was
maybe
so nice of
i-company ye-Pringles singasponsor.
So, guys, what you don't know is
That's actually true.
Drake, labo The Weeknd, have been fighting for like maybe the last 5 or 6 years. These things have been happening. We actually have casualties. Kula bantu sebafanga intwana le. Yeah. So
Abafayo.
khona ngale Toronto. So
Wait, Toronto
Hey, oh, yeah.
Please.
Toronto tubulawayo.
Africa.
Please, bro.
Umbe alright.
so yeah, I doubt. I don't know. You know these things happen.
Yazi ngenza umfazi wakho evela kubulawayo.
No. Vwe, okay.
But anyways,
What I'm saying is, security scares endlini ka Drake are probably maybe 1 or 2% likely to be related to Kendrick beef. Umuntu axabana la kakhulu. On the weekend.
Uzishaye ngokuyi-masturbation security scam. Wavela wazithi.
No. Ngakunjalo maybe people could have shot up maybe vest ka but that person is fighting for their life.
Ibanxa yimpimpi. Lakho futhi angama-theories asebuya like avele ebantwini abaningi asikwazi ukwenzakalani but asifisi ukuthi bafe kube lo muntu osesifa.
Ulo muntu osesifa. Yeah, i-back lab ichaza and I think they should both wrap it up because bazogcina bemess up ama-backs up.
Alabana kwakuhlekisa laba.
Yeni ichaza ndoda akula beef manje entertain ukudlula le. That was entertain kwangela la stand. Yeah, Chris
Chris
Brown
wawina
wawina,
lapho.
Unanimous. Akula muntu ophikisayo uthi Chris Brown wawina.
So uthi iviki yethu yokugcina le ukuthi sicaphule uvoice sikhuluma ngama-beef.
Yeah.
I
Asakhuluma
was
ngayo.
relevant.
uDrake angaze akhiphe enye ingoma mbu Kendrick asakhuluma ngebeef ku podcast le. So right.
Madoda. Kuyaphume omunye umbhobho njani?
Hey.
Asikwazi.
Wesibonile ukuthi Drake uyangena ku Billboard la.
Bonanga.
Yeah, the ingoma Family Matters lo Not Like Us bonke ba debut ku Billboard Top 10.
That's a
Billboard,
big thing.
yeah.
Not Like Us is a club, Bob Shem.
Mazerona.
Viho.
Is anyone ever interested in the Met Gala?
Yeah.
Pichani yangale.
Pichani yangale.
Kadu.
I really like the core though. Yeah, the core is
Tyler
very crazy. bro.
inhlabathi nje.
Price
cause
was on
we-
theme.
Isibulo
was-
sesile inhlabathi.
Hourglass.
But she was on theme, eh?
She was.
Ithimi bisithini?
It was a theme.
Kade no for
Like
watching it.
sands through the hourglass. So other days of our lives.
Kulo muntu lana teacher ilokhu zenini. Isigqokani isihlahla so. Do you see that dress?
No.
Yeah, it was like a tree so.
But kulenye imembe nge
Bona uDoja egqoke
Who's
iskipa
gay or
esincane.
something or what egqoke ama-flowers.
uDoja beshaye itawulo nje. Uthi bath towel. Doja is
Ile
late.
tu iskipa i-t-shirt enje ende white. Wayifaka i-hair gel ibimanzi.
bese
Wathi
besefihlile
cotton was the
futhi.
most used flower amongst black people.
Damn.
That was it.
Uzandile I think kumele azothwase.
Hayibo,
But anyway,
Dlamini-
that's a conversation for another day.
Ngathi zithi
Awusizambi.
mdlala sometimes. ngathi zithi mzala
ubonela
Ngathi
bane
azihambanga
ethenga
kuhle.
ijewelry store anegqoka ishit so labe lisiyo kukhanya umpanga okanye ikhwapha le eye ala ndaba
Previously,
kodwa
we were going-
Lokhu
i-
sokufuna
i-
umuntu
i-
omdala sibili.
phawule enye imembe enye
abanye bathi uthiwa uhawukela ukhanya ubone ngani uthiwa ukhanya uzama approach
but enye
ubone ngani ngaba ikhawupe enjani lo khanya
Yeah,
But
he's
that's
super
Doja
cute.
Cat and Kanye West. That's actually pretty good though.
isigqoko sika-Kim J besi-blind
I was
indoda
dope.
and besitshunwe
Particularly-
John Galliano we-Majela, yeah. Now you're speaking to the high fashion dudes.
Bonini
That's
keke
actually
lakho
one of
lilingana.
John Galliano's best pieces. Yeah, I'm putting you on game now.
John Galliano
Yeah, John Galliano.
Tell me what Ralph
That
is making
Majela
all
is
this shit
crazy,
up, bro.
No, I'm not
it's
making
not.
up. Bro, I know high
I actually
fashion.
saw this. The
Ngiyakutshela
stuff he's
udirector
talking about,
bonke,
I saw
ngiyakutshela
it.
udirector we-Jivanji, ngiyakutshela udirector we-Mason Majela, ngiyakutshela Y3. I'll tell you everything. I just can't afford it yet.
That's
But
why
I know all those
Virgil
shit.
kuphela.
Azwete.
Virgil upload. That's who we know.
Yes, I even know. Kule member eGoli actually who tried to remake the Virgil Abloh Maybach, but
Bantu
it
okwazi
was
bani?
trash.
fam
Rachel Hooper, the black guy.
ngazubani yani manazo mbanothunga la
No, I was Island.
Yeah, that was Ali.
I was Island too.
Mean.
Wait, we actually have one of Island's.
All right,
Yeah.
Jane Kamba, one high-end fashion director that you know.
Where Marnie? Marnie something.
Okay.
Donatella, obviously.
Yes.
Sensei Lee.
hey ngathi ngiyayibona
Do you know Yoshi?
Yoshi.
Yamato,
Oh, I know that one.
the Japanese.
I
guy.
also know. I also know.
it does
I also
Y3.
know.
Adidas Y3.
Ralph Lauren.
Sensei Lee.
mina
Because I recently got something
Wena ukwazi ubani? Usikhosana
from
Ben.
that.
mina
yeah.
kulo muntu engimaziyo
Yeah,
like
yeah.
ngiyacela labo checka i-content yakhe ku-TikTok I think akushowa bro umjida ongona kuthiwa ngu-Wisdom angazi
Oh,
yakuchayisana
yes.
mthathe kade
yes.
igqoke okunye
What the fuck?
okuyi-weird so kuyi-red so umjida lwana angeke ngigqoke njengaye bro angeke ngigqoke
Remember
njengaye
lenye ebulawa.
You appreciate
but
it.
yeah bro like
No,
umjida lwana uyakugqokela anything
Yeah. And you pull it off.
uyakugqokela iskipa
Let's check him out.
esikhulu ndoda iskipa esingamkwaniyo but
No,
for some
but
reason
wait.
bro like
There's
i-content yakhe
a
yabe-
light that we were together on the day of it. There's a guy that we actually interacted with. Town Israel.
Oh, yes. He has cool fashion as well.
He's
yeah.
actually got a really
He
dope
plays with
fashion
he
sense.
plays
yeah.
with Kudu and Breezy as well.
And Breezy, yeah.
Breezy could have known him. Yeah. He's
Shout
cool.
out,
But
Now, so
anyway,
in terms of like weird things that I can appreciate but not wear myself. I'm fun. I'm done.
but I know ngiyakwazi sendibisela ngemuva
even here, SSA, shout out to Arakani. I've actually done something with Arakani.
Oh yeah.
I've actually
I
collabed
know
with
Arakani,
Arakani
yeah.
and we trended #1 in Zimbabwe. But anyway, that's the thing for another day.
No, don't trivialize it. Say it with your
Yes,
fans.
I actually shook the president's hand rocking something I had done with Arakani. That was a moment
Yeah,
for the
you should
culture.
say that loud.
bongubhobhombe
Shout out to the brew. No, the
Shout out to yourself.
E and
That's
the
what,
E.
duh.
So even Lime have done something for fashion, but anyway, that's another topic. So yeah, shout out to Arakani.
bemfuna
That one's over, dude.
that's the time haya
Nice.
isikhathi sasekhona bemfuna ukuthi u-exposana lokho this could be a great idea nxa into yangikhona singayipackage sharp as a show cabangeni siqale sikhulume lamaloya of course yabo
Angifuni udead in 24 hours.
siqale sikhulume lamaloya le security futhi iqathe I feel like more le
They have
security
the
fair.
resources.
Yeah, the resources. Yabo. Uhle.
Yeah, I remember the
Yeah.
security, Jay. For example, when I pull up at some Rizi in the ghetto there,
Yabo.
I had some Rio.
So ngaba
some Rizi.
yeah, so ngaba
I have people looking over me there.
so ngaba it's like so ngaba content ukuthi economy yethu vele or i-country siphila kuyona. Abantu abalasikhathi sokukholisa like that. Abantu bale stress vele.
40 bas unemployed.
But imagine guys,
my meetings.
audience, like kule episode yethi yange Tuesday, sibala kuphela ama messages wa receive ku anonymous besithi abantu bayenze so.
Yeah, sharp.
Imagine, just imagine.
Singekela ukukhuluma amabizo.
Brilliant idea.
Singekela ukukhuluma amabizo. Obephi sibe lo hlelo lokubingelelana. Namuhla ku podcast u-Esther weGwabalanda uthi ubingelela u-anti wakhe.
Yeah. Actually, yes.
Yeah. Ihlelo
Faka
lokubingelela.
kuma-comments ukuthi the following.
Yeah, nxa ufuna sibingelele someone.
Eh.
Sisingabingelela.
Babhale, guys,
We
it's
can
okay.
actually have an entire show just for exposing. Guys. Or maybe kube
Mina
ngama-victims
ngingathanda
akhulumayo.
Joseph Darius.
My sister.
news.
But as long as bengishaye.
Yisi smoke, obulawa bakushaya.
Ama-comments wakhe.
Bakushaya bro. Bakushayela
Yeah, abantu
i-content.
bazonda nje.
Indawo yangikhona incane kakhulu ukuthi makudrapela
Siyakwazi
i-content.
ama-content creators akaklatshela i-content.
Hayi impama yetona.
Impama
But anyways,
tracker.
ukhona ufuna ukukhuluma anything before we go? Olakho kuchisayo, kuchisayo.
Uyisipela khonapho.
Hayi, sonini. Yo. I-favorite kaVuyi bayiphekile ku-Twitter.
Hi bo.
Hey, listen, nah, hey,
last
hey,
one,
hey, man.
Last
Hey,
last
man.
topic, yeah. Let's
Hey,
go.
Udala
man.
sipheka uDrake ka-Cape Breeze lapha.
Hey,
Wena
man.
you're not exempted.
Hey man.
What happened to Shadayo?
Hayi,
Kakhulu mina njobe
I
khuma.
mean, I'll speak half, you finish the other half. King Misuzulu married a woman who's a mother of 3.
Yeah.
And Shadaya preaches against dating women with kids.
Yeah.
Yabo? So yena upostile ukuthi ungashadela umuntu
Abantwana
olabafasi
abango-
abangu-3.
No,
Why do you
yeah.
choose to eat the fruit that has been eaten by what?
On this one,
So
I'll actually agree with you.
Make it like qede.
Bekhuma masimbusha diala. Go on.
Yekela
And
pheke.
then
Check,
so
that's right.
he was speaking about lobola. Why would you lobola someone who's had kids with somebody else?
Someone who's been
had
enjoyed by other
the food
people.
for free.
Yeah.
Why are you paying for something that someone had for free? So someone answered him, Ilobola is not about paying
For
for
what
what the
other
girl
people-
has done or not done. You're
Yeah.
paying because of what she means to you. It's a
To
token of
you.
appreciation
Exactly.
towards the parents for allowing
For raising
you to
someone.
take
Yeah.
Then
and
no
she
se
brings
pendula
vibe.
futhi
Wabe
uShadaya.
pendula wathi, Domkop, why would you pay for someone who's got 3 kids with somebody else?
All right, so can you
And then
The guy.
Why you
so
okay?
siya-
someone
no,
said,
no, no,
"See,
no.
that same tongue with truth,
Sisiya ku-climax.
tongue with truth, audacity." You do not lobola a person because of their past or what they did or did not do. And you have no right speaking about that because you are driving a car that has been
Also, you
deemed
memorized
not
this, Phil.
roadworthy in other
Countries. Yes.
So
You read
don't
this and
speak
you
about
memorized
used
this.
goods. Yeah?
When you
You
just
memorized this.
celebrated buying a used one.
I memorized what
You
they did
memorized
for
this
this
entire
They cooked him
tweets.
twice. That's for you. They cooked him
Now
twice.
Just to
Mhlawumbe
speak nonsense.
Do you know guys were actually girls?
They cooked him. And then the second time, he posted a longer paragraph.
Girls were
Jacob
sending that
Zuma
guy.
is what years old? He married a virgin. King Misuzulu did what? Then someone said, please do not focus on Indaba za South Africa. How about you tweet about tips on how to use roll-on in your own
Try
country?
you should be empowering your people to use Rolo. Yeah, Shadaya was cool.
Me, as for me, he owns that. I'm not like, nigga got cooked this week, bro. Nigga got takula my levels okupheka.
Now pay.
But what I
Rare,
like about
medium rare, and I nigga
what I
cooked
like
well
about what
done.
King
Well
Misuzulu
done.
did-
Well done.
Well done.
Yeah, it was well done.
Pastor.
Yeah.
I know
yeah.
every guy is mad about King Misuzulu doing what he did.
Yes, mina
But
lama
the
don't
thing
agree
is-
That's what I
He
wanted to
broke-
comment about.
He broke the stereotype.
Yeah.
If you're a nigga, whenever you start complaining
It's a
about single
stereotype.
mothers,
Listen.
we will start saying
Listen.
a whole king did that. When are you with
No,
nothing?
but wait-
Who
wait a
are you
minute.
to dispute?
Kudunuselwe isiko.
Akwe-
Wait,
Better.
no,
Yeah,
no,
mina
no.
i-point
This
yami,
is my
guys-
point. This is my point. In response to Jane, right? Everything that we see around us started from somewhere. From the laptop that we see there, Bale BO memes, to the actual sticker itself. Bale BO memes. It all started from somewhere. Right? Everything around us, even the clothes that we were wearing, my spectacles on allowing, it all has an origin. So even when you speak about royalty, someone washaya
Ngishami yempama.
indlwabe
Hayibo.
wanoyisende wathi you know what today you know what
embroidery.
wanathi
Sebenzisa amabala ahlakaniphile.
umqolo lo ayi alright fine wona
Wona
umqolo wona umqolo wathi you know what today I'm gonna decide that you know what if you're gonna be recognized as royalty you know, this is what you're supposed to do, that kind of thing, right? Aye. My point is, and awulando kuthiwa lisiko. It was no, listen. It came from someone's mind. And look, it can be amended. And all that he has done is amended. Umama Lord she's of no like ayenzanga lutho.
Ralph besithi masala ngoni yabe lo mntwana lo mgcina.
Umgcini sefona
Sethuje
umntanami.
Ubona umntanami.
Awungeni
In all of
khona
this,
nje.
and umgcini yi-problem.
Sengenile lami ku Royal.
Hey.
No, mina
In all of this, and you know what, and if all of us here would decide right after the podcast, as Abenspans, we do our history. Even there's been instances in the past, bro, whereby the royal family, right, has been extended to people that weren't born of royal blood. Yeah, one, whether it's African, European, Asian, wherever, bro.
African American.
all right, thank you for your point. Mina, what I'm gonna lead to is that because I've been
He's
itching
about-
to say
he's
this.
about
Sorry,
to
bro.
speak shit. It's
Yeah, I'm
fine.
about to speak shit. What I'm saying is, kulamanye ama position or amanye ama responsibilities ukuthi ungathatha wena your personal capacity has to come second, and the institution or the values that you represent have to come first. So I'll give examples bese ngiyaphendula kwento le. Like wena singathi sonke la si-10 erumini le sesidecide ukuthi sikhonze
Awungathi
uNkulunkulu.
siyi10 uzasixoxisa ngomastandi.
Singu-4.
Singu-3 erumini le sithi sidecide ukuthi we're praying to our gods, and then wena mgcini ngozabe ungu-leader wethu wokuprayer to ama-gods akhona. Like there are some things that come with that. Awusamelanga wena njengo-leader wethu ubonakala usenza ezinye izinto.
And awufoswanga futhi.
Awufoswanga futhi.
Ubule mvume ukuthi awufuni.
Exactly. Wena njengomisi Zulu, njenge-tribe yethu le esukela kuma-1800s, kuma-1600s, xa sukhetha ukuthi ngosirepresenta njenge-leader yethu khathesi. All these years, we've been standing by this.
Okay, yeah.
So wena, if you decide ukuthi wena inkanuko zenyama yakho wena at a personal capacity, so kumele zithathe precedence over i-tribe yonke le, history yonke le, you are fucking us up, bro.
No, that's okay.
You are fucking us up. No, ngizakuqedisa,
Yeah,
build up.
it's fine.
Fanele even le
Just
royal
salele
family.
2 minutes.
Fanele even le royal family. Like, nxa ukwazi ufuna i-title yokuthi uyiro njengo-Harry, yikubona u-Harry wayenza into enobo yokuthi guys, mina I can actually even denounce i-title yami ukuthi ngiwe-royal family because ufuna ukuyetshada lo mfazi wami oyi-divorcee oyilokhu. Uyabo? So akumelanga ukuthi wena ufune best of both worlds. Uthi ufuna ukuba ngupope weRoma. Siyakwazi ukuthi iRoma opope bayo bonke asobantu abalabafazi. Just because when you ukhethe ube ngupope sithi mina but mina uCherom yamthanda. No.
Asitshintsheni umthetho.
No. Sukusela kuqalisa since time immemorial senguma-40. Opope bonke siyakwazi abathatha.
Ungahindra mntu.
Wena ngosukhethwa namuhla ngo-2024 sithi but mina no, asitshintsheni opope somele bathathe. No. You are representing the institution. So yena njengo-represent institution yakhe, I think he took an L.
The example you actually made is actually happening.
Yeah.
In the process.
Exactly.
Yabo Pope.
Yabo opope sebefuna ukudlalela the other team.
Sefuthatha mas.
Exactly. So I feel like njengomuntu
Ngono bethatha friend.
Ngicini ngeke sikubone kwesabathini.
singaku-entrust ukuthi sicela usirepresente.
Phela lapha sesingagcina singena nge2 hours la singayiqala ama-church. Ngiyamazi
So asivale nini but into
No,
engiyishoyo
I
ukuthi
hear your point. I hear your point.
yena urepresenta J ngize ngafaka la segroupini ukuthi isizukulwane ule bloodline eyabojama J senza ngakhona oZulu actually iking actually lebizo le tribe Karesi is a descendant of that person. Omageba.
Abantwana bangikhona.
Nenzani manje?
Ubhuti omkhulu.
Ngiyatweka.
Abantwana bakamama lo ngamaZulu.
Ngobafuyi.
Exactly. Akukho proven khona lokho. Andiyabo.
Umuntu angakuthanda ukuthandile.
Right.
Imagine this guy ebuya maybe
Listen.
nge-festival inye eqakathekileyo e-Royal Palace ethina sifuna ukubona abantwana bakhe. I-constitution yabe imvumela ukuthi abone maybe yabebuya ngenqola festival. Sesibukile sesitshenile laphana. ubuya ngenqwala laphana sesiserious sitshaya amabheju sesibonga izulu
Mvumo
yena bese
nomntana
kuya
wami.
umvende ethi
Hayi.
ndifuna abana banga la uyabona ukuthi enda ndifuna abana banga uyabona ukuthi you're actually fucking up the institution
No.
just because of
Okay. Here's my point. Here's my point.
Qeda ukukhuluma siyavala.
It's fine. It's okay.
Danko.
Here's my point, right? Based on everything that Ralph has said, all of us here.
Sifuna ukukhuluma amasimba.
So,
Yes,
not even that. All of us here, right? Our parents have got the right to say, right, mntanami, weyankhaya. Right, kule ndlu lapha, there's property here, take care of it. It's your birthright. Allow njengomuntu who bears this name, right? This is your, you know what I mean? We've got no individual destinies. What if here now, Mrs. Zulu was like, you know what, my destiny is to love this person here. I don't even see the fact that she's got 3 kids.
Yeah,
Ntanda yena. She's like as far if I believe in soulmates, as far as soulmates are concerned, this is the one for me.
So he's going against culture.
Ngizakutshela
No.
esizulwini.
The culture hasn't even entered the conversation
Esizulwini
yet.
esamazulu kathesi udot lo.
Eh,
Wekeni la masiko.
right. As far as culture is concerned, and it hasn't even entered the picture altogether, bro. The fact that she's got kids altogether is secondary. Right. Tina, as in, well, Zimbabweans, but let's assume for a few seconds that we are subjects of the Zulu nation.
South African na.
Yes. When I was
Let's assume the usual identity crisis and then assume that we are subjects of the Zulu nation. But you know what I mean? In both, like there's a scale. Picture a scale here, right?
Sifuna ukukhulumisa mina bese sithi sifuna ukuvala. Funi
Akuluma is fine. On one side, and there's the subjects who are saying that, hey, Puri, what are you doing? And then there's this guy that says, no, now my life and what I want for myself and my destiny for my life is what's important.
Ngicela ukuvala.
Ngiyamthanda umuntu lo. Labantwana bakhe abayi-3.
Ngicela ukuvala
Ngamasimba.
ngelokhuzeni ngento le yazo masimba. Yabona isiko bra lishepe impilo zabanye abantu lokuthi baphile njani. Yabo. Amanye ama families are built ngenxa yesiko lona lelo bra.
No, but in the words of Shataya, bro, like how can your destiny be shaped by another man?
Mana ngoShataya.
come on
Mana ngoShataya. Mfuni example like enzakalayo. Sakhumbula
Okay, Shataya, she didn't say that. He actually didn't say that. That was me, actually.
Usakhumbula City Hall. Baze badwebe ipicture kaLobhengula bafaka lombeyane yande eceleni.
Ngiloko
Wabona
yi balloon.
ukuthi kwenzana abantu
Yeah, I
bokuya?
know. I know.
I'm sure ikho kwenzakalayo ngathi.
sure.
it's funny
Akalandela uShadaya ngabula abafana.
I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.